Item 1 start.
Item 1.
Okay.
Yes, may I please?
Conclude. You have given? You are in the
Item 1.
this first, you are not done?
No.
Already.
Oh,
Next.
next.
Item 1.
Yes, may I please? Also, please? In this case, my lord, petitioner is found guilty for one of five prisoners and sentencing me undergo a simple imprison 6 months and to
अबे
pay
माइक को सेट कर रखो ना अंदर पक्क करो you just adjust your face हाँ
my lord.
on नहीं बोले तो बॉन्के करेगा सीधा रखो ना अंदर सीधा रखो ना और माइक ठीक रखो ना मौके टोके हाँ कौन तो
One prisoner is found guilty for the offense of 451 IP prisoners and sentencing me SI for 6 months and pay.
अब ऐसे तरवर क्या हो चुकी मैं तो आराम से सुनूँ चीज़ ना तो पढ़े हाँ यार मैं comfortable please
Prisoner is found guilty
Hmm.
for offense matter for 51 of IP prisoners.
what is your role
Matters, prisoner the role matters entering the house of the victim and court order held
quarter that's all
hand manners.
okay what is the sentence
The 6 month matters SI for 6 months
okay
and to pay fine $500.
what's your notice you have filed IA
Yes, matters.
what is the I for
I for matters suspended sentence and
Ah.
stay for
fine
matters.
bail
Yes, matters.
ठीक है बस ठीक है okay list the matter on for final hearing in the meantime there should be the rest to get the LCR no? give a copy
Matters. Already
It is
solved.
all.
matters.
huh
Already solved.
okay so list the matter on October 1st
Matters.
for final hearing
Yes, matters.
October okay
Matters bail. During trial, he was in bail.
grant कर लिया
Yes, matters. Available.
what is next
Item 2.
2
Your Lordship, this criminal division has been filed by the petitioner was the complainant in a complaint case under NI Act. And
what is the sentence
Your Lordship, the sentence is to pay compensation of rupees 2 lakh
lakh.
rupees.
and what is the total amount
The check amount
check amount
was 2 lakh rupees.
total 2 lakh rupees you have to pay
The accused doesn't have to pay the complainant total 2 lakh rupees. That is the exact check amount which was due.
so
Without
only 2
any,
lakh rupees you have to pay
yes, I am the complainant.
come to the order judgment portion you're not able to tell me properly what is the page 25 26
Lordship,
Yes,
page 36.
I'm there only. Convict is sentenced to pay a compensation of 2 lakh to the complainant, Durizan Majhi, and in default payment, the convict shall undergo prison. So why don't you pay the amount? Pay the amount and close it.
Your Lordship, I am the complainant in this case.
Oh, sorry, complainant. Okay, you should notice. Complainant has come, not accused.
Now,
Okay. Issue notice, issue notice. List the matter on 27th August. Next,
Item number 5.
5.
Item number 5 permitted to withdraw with liberty to file a better notice.
Okay, permit. Next,
Item number 6.
6. 6, non-APS. List the matter, September 10th. Next, 7th,
Item 7.
7.
Yes, Miller.
Okay.
And due to illness of conducting advocate and yes,
What is the matter about?
OP limit.
OPLE? What happened? Conducting counsel really, but you are a conducting counsel now, na? I have to rely on you. So you should have read the file. Yes, what is the issue?
Get into.
Raigarh.
Raigarh.
What is it? Raigarh is in which district?
Navarampur district.
Navarampur. Okay, so you're seeking settlement. Huh?
Yes, my lord.
When is the notice issued to you?
Notice.
Under section 8A?
Section 9.
Oh, sorry, section 9. So without adopting, section 8A has not been followed.
My lord, page.
Encroachment notice ke aila. That is your homestead land?
No, my lord. No, my lord.
Upload the case or not.
What is the land used for?
It's for, now use for homestead land.
You are staying there,
Yes, my lord.
constructed house.
Yes, my lord. My lord, same type of, Honorable High Court by Justice R.K. Prabhu.
In your same case,
Same type of cases.
not in this case.
No, my lord.
So he has to appear before the
Yeah, the notice was issued on 17th February 2023, more than a year back. What is the status?
you take instruction on this.
PLB case?
State to take instruction, list the matter. 28th August. Next,
I may pardon. After
item,
item 6, my lord, after launch. On
Apa-
behalf of Mr. Mohanty, my lord.
I have given the date, what is the date?
10th September.
10th September. What is the urgency?
Urgency means the petitioner is a
So କାଇଁ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି urgency matter, common matter is called, you are not present.
ମତେ ଫାଇଲ ଟା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ବାହାରେ ଥିଲି
So what is
my lord,
that?
matter is my lord, he has the eligibility certificate for
For
to avail the land under OGLS Act, my lord, very poor and
OGLS is not coming under. You go to different bench.
My lord.
OGLS, let it be. Sister, what do you-
My lord.
Sixth, let it go. Next,
Item 8.
8.
Well, in this case, out of 88 decimals of land, over only 1 decimal of land, all villagers, they have constructed a temple and a kotha ghara. Well, in the year 2007, one of the,
Temple and Kothagara in 1 decimal.
over 1 decimal, all the villagers have constructed and
But-
they are
1 decimal mean kete square?
Rastare.
Kete square feet रहेगा?
এটা হচ্ছে নয়াগড় লাঠিপড়া
Lathipada.
village.
So we must have constructed on the middle of the road.
No, not
Ah, this is the tendency. In many villages, they do that. भाई सब जगह
that.
रहता.
এটা অমিন report দিয়েছে।
Mean report the mean
He is also supporting us because he is saying that this is not creating any hindrance.
So why have you come here directly? You should have approached the Tahsildar.
Well, we have filed objection before the concerned Tahsildar. Our limited grievance is that, my lord, our application may be considered, we may be allowed to participate in the proceeding because no proceeding has been initiated against the villagers. Only against.
Which is the order you have that is under challenge?
My lord.
Or nahi.
Which is the order?
No order
order.
as such.
So कौन
My
पे
lord,
action?
kindly come to. नहीं,
Of the opposite party number 4 illegal for of the opposite party number 4 illegal for then for our it is not illegal. Only action illegal. ଯାହାହେଲେ illegal arbitrary ଲେଖିକି ଗୋଟେ ଦିଟା ଲାଇନ ମୁଁ ଘୋଷି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା action ତ ଲେଖିବ illegal arbitrary ଆଉ କଣ capricious କେତେ କଣ word ଲେଖିକି ଛାଡ଼ିବେ. Simply you should write action of the challenging action of the opposite party of with authority which is going to evict the petitioner from the suit land. In the guise of evicting the opposite party number 6 and 7 and initiating an encroachment proceeding. 7. Even though the opposite parties are not, no connected to the suit, but nor are the possession of the fan rather than the same person or the same religious, question over the, that's no, there is a photo of her, since that, it's a flat. Since this petitioner has, the Tahsildar has, it is pending before the Tahsildar.
Till yet it is pending.
Pending before, yes or no,
Yes.
till date it is pending, ମୁଁ
Well-
ପଚାରୁଛି pending or not pending, pending, okay, the matter is pending before the Tahsildar. And the where is the Tahsildar order?
My lord, that order is
To the said has been pending before the Tahsildar since long, and the matter has not yet been, no order has yet been passed. So you have earlier came up this to this court.
my lord, he was since there.
The case.
So one of the another party, opposite party number 5, he has
Hmm.
filed writ application.
Hmm.
Since that order is not carried out.
That's it. Petition to approach the Tahsildar with this order. The Tahsildar shall decide the case within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of the order. Okay, what's next?
Our objection is that.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣଙ୍କ objection ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ଆପଣ ସିଧା ତହସିଲଦାର ପାଖରେ ଯିବେ ମୁଁ ତ I'm not
File କରିଛି.
when I'm not considering this why should I go into objection sir I am straight away I am sending you to the Tahsildar will decide the case
Madam.
why should I go into your objection and all that I'm not deciding on merit okay without going to merit
My lord, till then we can.
till then okay till the Tahsildar takes up the matter there shall not be any course of action next
Okay.
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଆସି ଖାଲି ଏବେ ଆଉ ଶୁଣିବିନି ଆପଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁଦିନ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଦେବା ଧରିକି ପଳଉଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ଦେବିନି ନୋ ଆପଣ ଜାଗା ଗୁଡାକ ଏନକରେଜ କରିକି ବସି ପଡୁଛନ୍ତି ଆସିକି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇକି ସେ ତହସିଲଦାର ପାଖରେ ମେଟର ପଡେ ସେ ତହସିଲଦାର ସେଠି କଣ ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା ପିଏନ କୁ ତାକୁ ଧରିଦେବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
No, OPL Act for settlement of land under the OPL Act. Kindly have a glance to the next one,
why settlement
because the petitioner's forefather is in possession since 1948 of the land.
1948 where
It is under the Athagad Tahsil Mallar. Kindly have a glance to the annexure 1. The copy of the ROR, page 10 Mallar. In the remark column, it is written that the behind
ଅବାଧ ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ଅନାବାଦୀ ତା ଇଂଲିଶ କଣ ଅବାଧ ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ଅନାବାଦୀ
cannot be used for any.
can be translated अबाध योग्य अनाबादी अबाध योग्य मतलब you can
Unauthorized, no?
no it can be set I mean
It can be settled.
what is English huh habitable yeah he's right habitable anyway you find out okay
Well,
So-
the family of the petitioner is in possession since 1948. And in the Yadas report under
but
annexure
it says that there is a behind Dakhal Goranga Naik Pita so and so 1940 Masiaru Hal Kisam
Kitam Bari.
Bari.
This is,
So that is an unauthorized
Yes, yes.
occupation.
and in the, under annexure to the,
Area
use only 5 decimal.
51.
5 decimal.
0.51 decimal.
No, 51.
51.
51 decimal sir.
More than half an acre.
half acre हैं इतने कोई जगह रे आठगढ़ पूरा टाउन रे
No, no, Vitere,
Oranda.
Orunda,
Oranda ଭିତରେ।
Moja Orunda.
half acre घर पर छोटे मोटे ना लोग
घर
contract
भी
करिवे।
अच्छी, घर भी अच्छी, बारी अच्छी.
हाँ सब पूरा माड़ी बसी आधा एकड़ लोगों को रोया पे जगह
In the
मिली
last settlement also, I have filed the Yadas report at page 13. It is a inquiry by the settlement of.
now so what is the cause of action
Now they are threatening to.
only threatening
threatening
have
to
they
deposit.
issued any order for eviction
Order that is annexure 3.
annexure 3 what is the notice
ରାଣୀ ଆଇର 70 ମସିହାର।
what is the notice
Notice under section under rule 9 of the OPLE Act.
Here I am suggesting one thing. This notice of the year 1969.
Thereafter, we have filed an
Yeah.
petition for settlement under annexure 4.
4 decade but not 4 decade 5 decade for 5 decade yes suddenly you woke up from the
I have under annexure 4, I have filed a petition for
If
settlement.
at all he is interested for settlement, approaching Act
Yeah,
Form F of the OPL Act.
yes.
Rule.
Rule, okay.
So here, this representation doesn't
That
work.
does
you
not
have to
work, I
apply.
Form F.
The large concept of the without going to the matter of the case, the petitioner is directed to approach before the
Tahsildar Athagat.
Tahsildar under
Athagat.
form F of the OPL Act, and Tahsildar shall consider this same in accordance with the law. It is made clear that the petitioner to approach to the Tahsildar within the period of 3 weeks from today. And decide the matter within 1 month thereafter. Next.
Item 10,
Dispose of it. Yes,
Opposite party number 4 has encroached a public land. Thereby,
who are you?
I'm the neighboring landowner, your lordship.
Laboring land, what is your problem?
Lordship, my passes to my land is blocked. And now he is threatening me. He is constructing pakka house.
So where should you should approach?
No, I have approached the Tahsildar and the collector. The
What
representations
happened
are
with
annexed.
representation?
Yes, your lordship.
No,
No, your lordship, kindly see. I have station along with the postal receipt.
Hmm?
And they have not taken any steps.
which order is under challenge?
No, there is no order, your lordship.
Then why have you
Opposite
come?
party number 4 has encroached a public land,
Hmm.
thereby blocking my passage to my land itself.
What is the remedy for that?
You know, sure, I have to approach the Tahsildar so that they can take any eviction
Then
proceeding.
what
against-
happened to the Tahsildar?
They have not taken any steps. Annexure 2 is pending. that is.
Representation, Devini, you take instruction. What's it?
Much okay.
And transfer the state to take instruction in the matter. It's the matter on 28th.
Much okay.
Next. 11.
Under section 8A OPL Act, I have applied for settlement of flat under Annexure 7
Hmm.
and in occupation in more than 30 years.
What happened to that? You have applied?
They have not.
Have you applied under the F, form F?
I have applied in the proper form.
What happened then?
Annexure 7, they have not taken any.
Annexure 7 is not a proper form. There is only you have your representation.
Everything I have mentioned. All the
Mentioned?
details.
You have
Everything.
mentioned.
What are you 5-2 date?
Hmm?
5-2.
What, 52? 52.
5-2.
No, he say annexure 7 is applied, na?
Yes.
Land concept the petition submit that he is under occupation of the land pertaining to Khata number 80, plot number 357, area 0.014 decimal out of total area 1.477, one notified area. Annexure 7. 7 taxing. One notified area. And he and his family members are in occupation of the said land. For since when you are in occupation?
We are in 86.
Since the occupation since 1986. From about 40 years from about 40 years. The enclosed land. The homestead land under the notified area council. And she has applied under this, you have applied under which form?
Form number 1.
Form or Lekhinandi which? Form
have-
1,
No, for me.
form E,
One.
Yeah.
form E of Lekhinandi which?
15(5).
Hmm?
Rule 15(5). And Tahsildar has to send it to the sub collector.
15.5. For the settlement of the said land. The Tahsildar Boban Dankanal is directed to the present, the application of the present petition within a period of 1.5 month, 45 days from today. Hala? Dispose of. Next,
Status quo will maintain because I have residence building there.
you have received any notice?
No, they have encroachment high payment policy. So they are coming and through Mike, they are giving that you leave it.
You go approach within 1 week अपना approach करो उनके केवल.
No court.
They have not evicted you for the last 40 years. Tomorrow they will evict you.
Because of that, I have,
Initiate.
otherwise I would not have
There will be no persuasion till the Tahsildar dispose of the matter, huh? Next.
12, 13, 14 same.
Till the-
खाली खाता नंबर प्लॉट नंबर अलगा
Yes,
खाता नंबर प्लॉट नंबर गुड़ा अलगा
please, कितने number?
12, 13, 14
12, 13, 14, some amount. Next,
Item 15,
15.
15 and 16 permitted to withdraw.
Oh, permitted to withdraw. Okay, next, on conditional. Next,
item 17,
May I
17.
please your lordship, challenge the encroachment order. Subsequent to the petition and the decree has been judgment and decree has been passed in the same should
Who are
plot.
you? Who are you?
I am the son of the, they have issued the encroachment order in my favor.
You are the son of the encroacher.
Yes.
Huh? What order they have issued?
Encroachment order has been issued on 4/4/2024.
4/4/2024. Then what?
And 2007 decree has been made and 2007 judgment and decree has been made on same plot. Therefore, in the meantime, they want
Degree, what degree? Sir, confused, don't confuse, please.
kindly see
Clarify,
annexure
please.
1, your lordship.
I am asking you, what degree in your
Decree
favor
the right title interest
of the property?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is that? Show me.
That is 28 page, your lordship.
Page 28.
28.
28, yes. With the degree in your favor.
Yes, ma'am.
The degree was against
Against,
the government.
no, decree in my favor. Your lordship.
Against the government.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what I'm saying. कौन है जितने डिग्री टा अब भलक ये ठीक क्लियर ये तो अंदर नॉले टाइप कर
The right title in,
readable.
may I please? Your lordship? The right title interest of the plaintiff over area 087 decimal in each Savik plot number 476 and 477.
This order passed by
The civil judge, Khurda,
civil judge.
senior division Khurda.
What is the order of final order?
Decree, your lordship.
Let me.
Decree has been on 37 running.
Should be and this is decreed in part after the defendant. The right title interest of the plaintiff so and so dismissal is submit that though the decree the last order page 28 order to portfolio. Though he petitioner submit that though a decree has been passed in favor of the present petitioner in so and so case number. Case number
Encroachment case number 90 of 2024.
Encroachment case number 90 of 2020. Said order is passed. The order was passed on
4/4/2024.
2024, and the ordering person they said degrees, portfolio whatever. And yet where is the notice?
Notice is 38, your lordship, page 38.
38. Here the Tahsildar has the additional Tahsildar Bolagada
Yeah.
has issued notice in its favor. The concept of the petitioner to approve the
Your lordship, kindly see page 31 for a
page
moment. 31,
31. Yes,
last 3 lines. You start from page 31, your lordship, kindly turn to page 32.
Hmm.
Last 3 lines.
Hmm.
The disputed plot is plot number 1735
Hmm.
and area has been recorded as 170 decimal. Your lordship got it? Then your lordship come to the notice at page 38.
page
38,
30.
the impugned notice.
Khata same, plot same. your lordship.
Sabu same 170 has already been recorded in his name. Another
No.
another the point 020 is the encroachment.
That's why I'm saying, let him approach the Tahsildar. The Tahsildar will decide the matter.
In
At
the
your
mean-
lordship, please.
In the meantime, your lordship, I have filed a writ application for demarcation.
Again, rate application, demarcation file habo.
No, my lord, demarcation is filed, your lordship directed to demarcate the land.
That the
They-
whatever
we
you
don't-
do,
in the
I don't-
meantime-
but this is like since it is the impugn order letter so and so issued by the Tahsildar for the encroachment of the land by the petitioner. This the impugn order, this is what? This annexer 3 series, what is that?
Annexure 3 is that is the your lordship demarcation order, your lordship directed your lordship to demarcate the land as per the strength of the decree.
And
This
portion
is
what?
so-called notice issued for eviction, my lord, encroachment.
So that is for this 0.002 decimal.
Yes, my lord.
And though there has been a demarcation by the authority, additional Tahsildar Bolgada, 0.020 decimal has been encroached in the said decreed land. Hence, the Tahsildar has issued notice on the said encroachment. Grievance against the notice of encroachment, the petitioner to approach the appeal. It appeal kariba na?
Applicable.
To the appellate authority under section
12.
12(1).
12.
1, the section 12 of the Appeal Act. The petitioner to approach the appellate authority within 1 week from today, and the appellate authority shall decide within 2 months thereafter. Next,
Item 18,
till next,
18, I may be permitted to.
item
18.
18, okay, permitted. Next, 19,
19,
Your lordship, that is an encroachment case. This 98 is in the similar order, your lordship, person annexure 3, your lordship, only to dispose of the encroachment which has been pending since 1998 to 99. Only.
what, I couldn't get.
And
The order?
Yes, only simple direction that earlier, same.
What is the order?
Order is annexure 3, annexure
Annexure?
4, your lordship, annexure 4, your lordship.
Annexure for the same order against
Same
you?
order, same order.
Against you?
No,
Any-
that is
Some other matter?
some other person. Only
Let
to
him
dispose-
approach in form F, my lord.
Only to dispose of the encroachment case within a stipulated.
You have already applied?
yes.
Before?
With the Tahsildar.
Tahsildar.
Yes.
Annexure,
Put, put.
Hmm.
Approach, approach,
Good.
approach, Tahsildar ko approach karke form F ka.
Hmm.
My lord, the petitioner has not approached.
Approach.
No, man, I have not
Then
approached.
why are you telling me to pass this kind of order? Unnecessary.
No,
If
man,
not approach, you are saying, I am asking you, have you approached? You say, yes. Now it is, no. What is this? Yes, no, coin yes or no. Yes, yes, I'll no. সত্য কথা কইবেন কোর্ট উল্টা সিধা কইবে order I'll pass wrong order then.
man, I have confused. So,
Confused, why you are confused, sir? You are a seasoned lawyer, why are you confused? You have been doing this kind of matter for such a long time, you are not supposed to confuse. The Tahsildar under section 12.
well,
This was the disposal within 6 weeks from the date of.
Tahsildar ko to 12 ta hoche appeal, my lord.
Sorry, I'm sorry, appeal.
Nine is-
In form
Section-
F, your lordship may mention. In form F.
Form F. ऐसे बोइडा दो ना. If the petitioner approaches in 1 week with the Tahsildar package, 1 week no Tahsildar will consider simple molecular. Within if he approaches within 1 week, hala? Okay, dispose of. Next,
item 20,
20.
Till then, no course.
Regarding item number 20, my lord. Encroachment proceeding under section 80 of Appeal Act pending.
Sorry,
Under section 80 of Appeal Act pending in the court of. In which
kete number?
encroachment number
20.
3756 20 item 20.
What happened?
Encroachment proceeding pending.
Is it pending, then why are you coming here?
Pending, my lord.
Just
in which
dhokka lagaya bhai.
in which
How dhokka to
the
lagaya?
encroacher has been noticed to appear on 20.
So jantu,
My lord.
to sethi jantu.
He has approached, he
then?
has filed the so called notice. After that, no cause of action arises.
That is pending, my lord.
What pending?
Answer to so cause. That is even common.
So cause you have to file reply, sir.
He has already filed the reply by Annexure 2.
Why are you come here? Why have you come here? No cause of action survive
there is one
survive in the matter
common
and
matter,
dispose of.
my lord.
Sir,
On
in
same
the
ground, my lord.
read code, you have just made mockery of the read code. Sir, upon matter so cause also reply file karibe. Eti kahi aସୁଛନ୍ତି? When so cause is given to you, you are supposed to file the reply. You know, you did not come here.
Petitioner filed the reply.
And then
On
you
the
file
same
the
date.
reply, they will
That is
pass it.
pending. That is pending, my lord.
And the pending. Why should the court dhokka on every case? How come authority na khali court ro ei dhokka kodeba am kamo?
In her replies, request.
Nothing, no cause of action. See, the matter is pending before the
Or
କଣ order ଦେଇଥିଲେ? ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଧରିଛନ୍ତି କଳଟାରେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ order pass ହେଇଛି ଏଇ କୋର୍ଟ next disposal. Next
Item 21.
21. Huh? Sorry? Okay, list on the request of Landless Petition, list the matter on 27. Next.
22.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, previously the petition was filed before the Honorable Court. The Honorable Court passed the order as per Annexure 7.
Sir, what is the issue? Tell me, Honorable Court, what order pass? I'm least bothered. I want to know what the issue.
Yes, the petitioner, without giving so cause notice and opposition by hearing,
Hmm.
the opposite party has demolished the house of the petitioner.
Samleshwari Mandira Prakalpare.
Yes, Lordship. Samleshwari
Land acquisition matter.
Let it go there.
Yeah, Lordship.
OPL କେମିତି ଆଇଲା? Land acquisition ଆସିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେଠି ମନ୍ଦିର ପ୍ରକଳ୍ପ ବନା ହଉଛି
Already, Samleshwari Prakalpa is already.
OPL ରେ ଆସିବନି ସାର୍, it is not OPL. ସେଠି ମନ୍ଦିର ବନା ଏ ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ
Orissa Prevention and Land Encroachment Act,
ନା ସିଆଡେ ଯିବ,
more
ସିଆଡେ
than
ଯିବ।
50 years.
ନା ସିଆଡେ ଯିବ। Let the matter be placed before the appropriate the chief minister to attend the is the matter according to OPL. ठीक है? Next sir.
23.
23. Next.
My lords. I have challenged the order of eviction
Sir, what is the issue?
passed by the
Tell me.
Paradip Port Authority. Eviction order by
Paradip Port Authority.
my lord
कौन हैला?
to evict the leaseholder land.
Leaseholder. अपना leaseholder.
Lease has been granted since the year 1992. Regularly, I am paying
What are you? Are you have a homestead land?
lease for shop rooms.
Huh?
Shop rooms.
Shop. Then what happened?
Then I have been granted a lease of 1,000 square feet and running
You have constructed the shop.
and running wooden carpentry work, sir.
Carpentry work. Okay. Then
So also I am paying
rent,
regularly.
lease rent you are paying. Okay. Then
Now they have enhanced the ground rent and by the annexure 8 page 42 the estate to evict.
but you're in the lease agreement the enhancement was permitted. There must be some clause in the lease agreement that the lease rent can be enhanced from time to time.
No,
Lease agreement देखले. Where is the lease agreement? Sir, lease agreement को page रे अछि?
page 13
Page 13.
annexure 1.
Annexure. This is the, I think, allotment notice, I think, allotment letter. But there must be some agreement with you. When there is a lease, there must be some agreement. The land premium, you are paying 4 lakh per acre. Annual ground rent is 6,000 per acre. Per acre 6,000. ଆପଣ କେତେ ପଡୁଛି 1000 ସ୍କ୍ୱାର ଫିଟ ରେ କେତେ ପଡିବ 6,000 per acre ହେଲେ 1000 ସ୍କ୍ୱାର ଫିଟ କୁ କେତେ ପଡିବ ସାର୍ 41,000 ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଏକର ନା 41,000 ସ୍କ୍ୱାର ଫିଟ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କେତେ ପଡିଲା 43,000 କୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ 6,000 ଲିଜ ରେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେତେ ପଡିବ ସାର୍ କେତେ ରେଣ୍ଟ ଅଧିକା ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କେତେ 43,000 divided by 6,000 divided by
7 points.
Huh?
7 point some odd.
7 पैसा
7 paise.
ଆପଣ ଏତିକି ଏଫେକ୍ଟେଡ ହେଇଗଲେ
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ eviction order pass
ଏଭିକ୍ସନ ଆପଣ ତ ଲିଜ ରେଣ୍ଟ କଥା କହୁଥିଲେ ଏବେ ଏଭିକ୍ସନ ପଳେଇଲେ ଆପଣ ଏବେ ଟିକେ ଆଗରୁ ଲିଜ ରେଣ୍ଟ ବଢେଇଲେ ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲେ
ground rent ବଢେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ
କେତେ ବଢେଇଲେ ସାର୍ କେତେ କହିଲେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି କେତେ ବଢେଇଲେ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଗରୁ କେତେ ଦଉଥିଲେ ଏବେ କେତେ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଆଗରୁ କେତେ ଦଉଥିଲେ ଆପଣ 92 ରୁ କେତେ ଦେଇ ଆସୁଥିଲେ
land premium 9,183
କୋଉଠି ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଟା ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ସେ annexure 1 land premium
ପର ଏକର ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 1,000 ପାଇଁ ଥୋଡି ସେତିକି ହେବ ଆପଣ ପର ଏକର କୁ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି
ସେଇ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଫର ୟୁର ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି
page 13 ରେ ଦେଇଛି
ତ ଏବେ କେତେ ବଢେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ
ଏମିତି 7 lakhs claim କରିଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ
they have claimed 7 lakhs rupees
7 lakh where is that order କୋଉଠି
page 42 annexure 8
page 42
running page 54
but they are saying you are unauthorizedly occupying the land
they are saying but I am not unauthorized occupant. So regularly, I am also paying municipality tax.
you have annexed those documents regularly you are paying you have annexed those
I have
documents
annexed by the annexure 2 series and annexure 4 series.
okay issue notice to the opposite party this is Paradip Port Trust estate officer OP number kete
I have also served the copy to the Council of Paradip,
oh
Mr. Amitav Das.
have you given him copy okay issue notice to the one and two chairman कौन दरकार two तो दरकार open number 2 a copy of the writ petition has already been served on Mr. Amitav Das who usually appears on behalf of the trust list the matter on 20th August till the next date no course of actions shall be taken
Interim there.
deliver till the next date no course of action ହେଲା ଆପଣ ସେ ଅମିତାଭ ଦାସ କୁ ମନେ ପକେଇ ଆଜି ଜଣେ ଦେବେ ଆଜି so that will be present next
24.
24
Your Lordship. In this case, your Lordship may have a glance to para 3, my lord.
what is the case tell me first
My lord, I am the sarpanch of the locality, my lord.
you are the sarpanch
My lord.
okay
So the local people are, my lord, claiming that the person that is OP number 3 is encroaching the government land, my lord.
you are the sarpanch the petitioner is the sarpanch
My lord.
why have you come here
My lord, I am for a direction to OP number 1 to evict the OP number 3, my lord.
who
Because
is
that
that OP number 3
3, my lord, is the encroacher.
Encroacher.
So your
Where?
my lord, Jagarpur, my lord, you also may have a class, my lord, in
Which-
Part
who-
3.
Which district?
Jagarpur, my lord, Sundargarh,
Sundargarh.
my lord.
So
So is
OP number 3 is who is OP number 3 is a private person.
my lord,
He's occupying which land?
government land,
What, I mean,
constructed the house. And but my lord, your lordship may have a class, my lord, proceeding is initiated by OP number 1 in annexure number 1.
mm,
So my lord, in annexure number 3 and 4,
mm.
the OP number 1, my lord, repeatedly
There is
directed.
any, the case is
No, my lord, that one. Annexure 1, my lord, but repeatedly the annexure OP number 1 is directing to the OP3 to vacate that land. And but until that, my lord, no eviction is started because the public are facing lots of inconvenience and
how is there facing inconvenience?
my lord, in annexure para 3, my lord,
Annexure ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ
My lord,
ସାଧାରଣ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ answer ଟେ
that
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
is the way,
ସବୁ କଥା
my
କଥା
lord, that is,
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଥା କି annexure ଦେଖିବେନି ତମକୁ ଆଉ question ଟେ ପଚରା ହଉଛି ତା answer ଦେବେ straight
My-
come prepared in that annexure 1 annexure 2 ଏ ଯେ ସବୁ କଣ answer ଟା annexure ରେ ଦିଆଯାଏ କି
my
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
lord,
ନାଁ ହେଲା annexure କେତେ କହିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ କଣ annexure କୋଉ annexure ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ
my lord,
ସେଟା ବି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି annexure
okay.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଥରେ annexure ରେ ଲୋକ କୁହନ୍ତି ମୁଁ
Yes.
annexure 5 ମୋ ନାଁ ସବୁଥିରେ annexure
My lord, so
I'm
that,
asking you the question how the people are facing inconvenience.
my lord, that is the public passage. That
Public passage.
passage, my lord.
Okay.
So that is that particular passage is connecting to
Or
the
the person you don't like that person, not voted you.
no, my lord.
Vote ଦେଇନଥିବେ।
My lord, they are writing, my lord, your lordship may have a glance.
କିମ୍ବା
My lord,
ଆପଣଙ୍କ against ରେ ଛିଡା ହେଇଥିଲା କି?
my lord, ସେ ରାସ୍ତା ସ୍କୁଲ କୁ ଯାଇ ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ପିଲା ସେମାନେ ମତେ ଲୋକମାନେ ମତେ ଲେଖିକି ବାରମ୍ବାର ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆସିକି ଘର ଆଗରେ ଠିଆ ହଉଛନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ହଟଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆମେ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଯିବୁ କେମିତି କଣ କରିବୁ ସେଠି ବହୁତ ମାନେ ହଇରାଣ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆନେକ୍ସର 3-4 ରେ ମାନେ ସେ ତହସିଲଦାର ନିଜେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ଯେ ଏଟାକୁ
କୋଉଠି
vacate.
ତହସିଲଦାର direction ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
My lord, annexer number 3 and 4. You were instructed to vacate the encroachment case land. ସେ
Okay.
ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ଜାଗା ସେମିତି ନେଇ
ଜଣେ
ଯାଇଛି
କାଉନ୍ସିଲ ଦ ପିଟିସନ ସେଇ ଲୋକଟା କିଏ ବହୁତ ପାୱାରଫୁଲ ଲୋକଟା
ମାନେ
ନେତା ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଥିବେ ନା ଆପଣ ସରପଞ୍ଚ ଜାଣିବେନି currently continuing a sarpanch or
My lord, now
previous sarpanch?
now I am.
Now you are sarpanch. What is your name?
My lord,
Sir, মানে your
Lal-
petitioner name?
Lalit Lakra.
Huh?
Petitioner, my lord.
Lalit
Lakra.
Lakra. And this the encroacher is Sushil Lakra.
My
କିଛି family dispute ଅଛି?
ନା
ନାଇଁ ସେଠି ଏମିତିଆ ହୁଏ ନା ଗାଁ ମାନଙ୍କରେ
ନାଇଁ,
ତାଙ୍କ
ସେ
ଭିତରେ
ଲୋକମାନେ
ଝଗଡା
ସବୁ-
ହେଇଗଲେ ସିଧା କୋର୍ଟ ପଳେଇବେ
ଲୋକମାନେ ସବୁ ପବ୍ଲିକ
ସେ-
ଲୋକମାନେ ଆସିକି ଆଗ ଘର ଆଗରେ ଗଣ୍ଡଗୋଳ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ପବ୍ଲିକ ଲୋକ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଚିଠି ଦେଖିଲେ ମତେ
My lord, annexer number 2,
କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ପଢିଲେ ଟିକେ ଶୁଣେ
annexer ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ସରପଞ୍ଚ ମହୋଦୟ ଜଗତପୁର ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ
ସେଟା ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ନିଜେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ତ ଲେଫ୍ଟ ରାଇଟ
ନା ନା ସିଏ ଇଏ ଏଜୁକେଟେଡ ପିଲାଟା ଇଏ ସେଥିରେ ସେ ବହୁତ ଲୋକମାନେ ଆସିକି ଗଣ୍ଡଗୋଳ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଏଜୁକେଟେଡ ପିଲାଟା କେତେ ପାଠ ପଢିଛି
ପିଜି କରୁଛି
ଆଚ୍ଛା ପିଜି କରିଛି
ବିନମ୍ର ସହ ଆମେ ଜଗତପୁର ପଞ୍ଚାୟତବାସୀ ନିମ୍ନୋକ୍ତ ବିଷୟ ପ୍ରତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଦୃଷ୍ଟି ଆକର୍ଷଣ କରି ତାର ସୁବିଚାର ତଥା ପଦକ୍ଷେପ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବା ନିମନ୍ତେ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରୁଅଛୁ
ତାପରେ
ଲେଖି କଣ ଜଣାଇବାର କାରଣ ଏଇକି ଯେ ଜଗତପୁର ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଜନସାଧାରଣଙ୍କର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ରାସ୍ତା 5 ନମ୍ବର ୱାର୍ଡ 6 ନମ୍ବର ୱାର୍ଡ ଦେଇ ଯାଇ ଗମନାଗମନ NH ରୋଡ କୁ ସହଯୋଗୀ କରିବାର ସୁବିଧା ରହିଅଛି
ये ଲୋକଟା ତାହେଲେ ବହୁତ ପାୱାରଫୁଲ ଲୋକଟା
ସେଇ OP ନମ୍ବର 3 ଟା ପାୱାର
पावर को निकालते हैं
ସେ ତହସିଲଦାର କୁ ବି ମାନୁନି
मानुनी ताला मते मानिबो ओके लेखा so here
May I submit your lordship? May I submit? Your lordship, previously the petitioner approached this court on the same issues.
what happened
The honorable court has directed the Tahsildar
Hmm.
to initiate and to proceed in accordance
तहसीलदार
with
डरुची
law.
परा से जाउनी सेठी तहसीलदार डरुची खाली ताके ऑर्डर टे देदा चुपड़ी रहि गेला तापरे
So, how the read petitioner will be maintainable?
मेंटेनेबल लाइ मु एबे तो मेंटेन करबी आ कि मेंटेन
The petitioner
सेतबे ये पिटिशनर आस्तला
the same petitioner.
आथरे आइले
ମାନେ ସେ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଥିଲା ସେ କହିଲା ଯେ ମତେ ସେ ଜାଗା
कॉज ऑफ एक्शन न पचरची मु गप्प नै कॉज ऑफ एक्शन
ମାନେ ସେ ତାକୁ କରୁନି
କରୁନି ବୋଲେ ଆପଣ
Then
contempt
contempt
ହେଲେ
ମାନେ ତାପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଥିଲା ତ ଆବିଆନ୍ସ ଥିଲା ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା
ମାନେ ଆପଣ କେତେ ଥର ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି କି ମାନେ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଏ ପର୍ସନାଲ
नो माय लॉर्ड
एनिमिटी
माय लॉर्ड आनेक्शन नंबर 6 माय लॉर्ड
एते थर नाले कोड आसीबे
माय लॉर्ड माय लॉर्ड आनेक्शन नंबर 6 हेई सरला परे
एबे कॉज ऑफ एक्शन कोन
माय लॉर्ड आनेक्शन नंबर 6 रे गोटे तो
व्हाट
डायरेक्शन
इज
हला
द कॉज योर नेम इज एनेक्सर व्हाट इज योर नेम एनेक्सर कौन एनेक्सर
नरेटिंग द थिंग माय लॉर्ड शॉर्ट
आस्किंग व्हाट इज द
घटनाटा सेमती मतलब न कहले बुझी परिबेनी
नाइ मु एनेक्सर वाला आई हेट एनेक्सर वर्ड
माने
बस सिंपली यू हैव टू टेल मी व्हाट इज द इशू
माय लॉर्ड
आपनकर व्हाट इज द फ्रेश कॉज ऑफ एक्शन
my lord, this petitioner my lord approached this honorable court and it was directed to the OP number 1 to complete the proceeding in annexation number 1 and take action for the eviction. But subsequently, the OP number 3, my lord, approached this honorable court and got the direction that
बढ़िया।
this, my lord, it may be,
हाईकोर्ट तो वी आर
My lord.
ट्रायल
my lord, it may,
आप लोग झगड़ा
my lord, se lokota tinta
से
laga
पळे आला
nei
गुटे ऑर्डर ई पळे आला गुटे ऑर्डर एबे
My lord,
रुआ रुआ पटक एबे
my lord, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
रुवंदु आबे रुवंदु
my lord,
ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଏସବୁ ଶୁଣିବିନି ଆଉ
ତାହେଲେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ସେ କହିଲା ମୋ ଜାଗାଟାକୁ ମୋ ନାଁରେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଆସିଥିଲା ତାପରେ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଲେ ଯେ ତାର ଏଟା ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ କରେ ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ କାଲି ଜଷ୍ଟ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ପାଇଲି ଯେ ତାର ସେଟା ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ ହେଇଛି ତହସିଲଦାର ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେ ଜାଗାଟା ସେ ଆଗରୁ ଦିଟା ଜାଗା ତା ନାଁରେ
ତ ହେଇଛି ତ
କରିସାରିଲାଣି
କାଇଁ ଆସିದ್ರು କଣ ପାଇଁ ତ
ବାସ୍ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ
କାଲି
unless
ହେଇଛି,
my
କାଲି
lord
ହେଇଛି,
your lordship will
ଆଜି ଆଜି କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ପଳେଇ
unless my lord your lordship will interfere my lord
no cause of action arises the petitioner land council the petitioner submit that the has encroached the case land being case number 35/2021 of khata number 333 plot number 1395 Kisam Rasta at Jagarpur full stop though the Tahsildar Rajgangpur has issued an instruction to the OP number 3 various order dated 16/12/2022 he has not yet vacated the said land
6/12/2022.
6/12/2022
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଆପଣ
Yeah.
ସେପଟେ ବସନ୍ତୁ however land council the state submits that the Tahsildar has already disposed of the said
No, your lordship.
Huh?
The opposite party number 3 preferred a writ petition for a direction to settle that
I am not going to all these things
My lord.
ଗପ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିବିନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଗପ ଲେଖିବି ସେ ଆଇଲା ସେ 3 ଆଇଲା 4 ଆଇଲା
only that
I am not going that is not on record why should I
that has
write?
not been
Then why
now
should
the
I-
petitioner has submitted.
I am not going to do anything simply I am saying Allah are you sure that he has disposed of
my lord
Tahsildar has not disposed of the present encroachment case, my lord.
this case
No.
the case case number 35/2021 nahi? The matter is pending before the encroachment case is pending before the Tahsildar being case number 35/2021 of khata number 333 blah 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 likh do hala and the Tahsildar is directed to dispose of the encroachment case number 35/2021 hala aforesaid encroachment case within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of the order and hala अच्छा डिस्पोज ऑफ करते जानतो से डिस्पोज ऑफ करला देखाबा जा हला तापर आपन फेवर ना पुणी जिबे हार परम अछि सब रिट पिटिशन पळे आछन
ଯଦି ଯଦି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ ହେଇଥିବ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ଯୋଡି ଦେଲେ ଯଦି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ ହେଇଥିବ ତାକୁ ଆଡମିସନ କରିବେ
it has already been disposed of like that however if it is already disposed of the Tahsildar shall take appropriate action to evict the OP number 3 hala
oh blessed man
next
Item 25.
ମାନେ ଏଜ ଏକ୍ସପେଡିସସଲି ମାନେ
कोन
ଜଲ୍ଦି ଟିକେ ଏଜ ଏକ୍ସପେଡିସସଲି ଖାଲି
न लिखले भी से करे मासे टाइम देली हेलानी कि आउ एक्सपीरियंस दरकार नेक्स्ट
My lord, on behalf of my senior passport. No. On behalf of my senior peer for
केते नंबर 25
25, my lord.
कोन अछि केसटा
My lord, here the case is a party illegally and arbitrarily occupy the petition.
आपण के हु आर यू
I am the landowner.
यू आर द लैंड ओनर आपण को जमीन से रखि देला
Yes.
OPL केमति आस
प्राइवेट डिस्प्यूट आपण शूट फाइल करन The petitioner have filed the petition seeking an application challenging illegal arbitration. Illegal arbitrary घोषित देशन खाली जोड़ले illegal arbitrary. Illegal तो लिखले arbitrary कौन भाई? Action तो लिखले illegal arbitrary. सब अपन के सब illegal arbitrary. Forcibly occupation of portion of petitioner land and illegally constructed godown, market complex and given the carpet.
Say private land, OPL.
এটা আপনার OPL কেন দিয়াইলা? লাগা the petitioner has filed the present writ petition seeking an application challenging the order, challenging the action of the opposite party who has forcibly in occupation of portion of the petitioner's land and illegally constructed godown, market complex and given the same on rent to third party without following the due process of law. And despite the demarcation made by the local, no step is being taken for eviction on the contrary. Okay, full stop.
My lord, he was asking if for a parcel.
कौन ऑर्डर पास कर दलो जीव पळेबो जो छाडो पास कर के आउट 5 मिनट जो वेस्ट करिवो टाइम के सीनियर हो जा पास कर दे आई नो अप्लाई गाली खाइबो सीनियर ओके नेक्स्ट 26
My lord. Madam, the OPL matter, my lord. As per the direction of this honorable court, my lord, the petitioner approached before the collector in a revision case number.
what happened in that case
My lord,
what happened in the revision case
there were without hard to the petitioner counsel, the order. Therefore, he challenged this case, my lord.
अच्छा यहाँ जो रिवीजन पर है रीड
My lord.
रिवीजन पर आओ किसी अच्छी रीड का he without hearing आपको ऑर्डर पास कर देले कोडी ऑर्डर टा देखले
My lord, the 52 page 52 annex 1052
51 it starts, my lord.
52.
Learned associate lawyer is present.
just a minute round to 50
My lord,
51,
52.
page 51 and next to 12.
the encroachment revision filed by the Shanti Lata so passed by the secretary against the order so associate lawyer
My
तो
lord,
अच्छी अब नहीं
52 my lord.
ए रुहंतु
My lord.
आपण आसंतु 51 को आसंतु
My lord.
हां
There will I filed this petition, my lord.
CR is put up to the day the petitioner is present and sub-collector is present the petitioner prays for time अपना time मांगिले
My lord.
our next date
5
5/4 CR is put up today the Tahsildar Bolgad present and submits his report sub-collector Khorda is present and files Hajira had order reserved और order pass ହେଲା कोर्ट के बे
53.
Order 50
तो order reserved आपण तो थिले
No, my lord. The counsel of the petition is unknown about that date, my lord. Without hearing to the
आज्ञा कौन हियरिंग आपण से order report basis रे तो order देला कोन रा
मतलब the uphold the
आगुरु
appeal, my
already
lord.
तीनिटा जगह तांका नारे अछि.
No, my lord. The poor lady, my lord.
हां पुअर लेडी
Your lordship kindly see page
एठी के आइले कोर्ट के सब पुअर ही जांदी पुअर वार्ड लगेबी नि मो कोर्ट रे पुअर एससी एसटी वुमेन एसबो कहबी नि के लिटिगेंट इज लिटिगेंट
My
आ पुअर एठी कोर्ट के आइले पुअर तार 10टा जगह थिबो छडी
lord.
फिर पुअर काहे कहू
Your lordship kindly have a glance to the order of the sub-collector as page 39,
page 39
my lord. Last paragraph. Last paragraph.
yes
Yes, sir.
Peruse the copy of the order downloaded from the VULEC website. It is found that the appellant is not a landless person. One plot pertaining to an acre such and such, such as now recorded in the name of the appellant, and khata number such and such area, Kisam Gharabari of Mouja, Hanapali, stands recorded in the name of husband of the appellant, and another khata bearing number such and such of
so
a
you have grievance you have not been hard
My
that is the
lord.
only grievance
My lord.
ado पठे देले जीव साथरे सुनि देबो
if not heard, madam. Because from the order, it
नहीं
is,
order last order
your lordship kindly see.
अरे last
Pa-
order देखंतु ना आपण काहे सी
Page 53,
page 53
my lord, the order, part of the order.
कोन लगी छी
Third para, are the learned counsel for the petitioner
No, my lord. This
and
is
Tahsildar.
reserved for orders. Thereafter, they
दी लगी पड़ले आपण तो थिले आउ
ମୁଁ ନଥିଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା
आपण नथिले मु के लेखिला केंदी
ନା କାଉନସିଲ ଅଫ
ତା
ଦ
ପୂର୍ବରୁ ବି ଲେଖିଛି ଆପଣ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେତେବେଳେ ଜୁନିୟର କେତେବେଳେ କିଏ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଦିନ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କୁ ରିସିଭ୍ କଲା କ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଦେଲା ସେଇଦିନ ନଥିଲେ ଆପଣ କଣଟା ହେଇଗଲା ସେଦିନ ତ କିଛି ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇନି ଖାଲି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ରିସିଭ୍ କଲା ତହସିଲଦାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆଇଲା କରିଦେଲା
without hearing to the
no nothing doing that hearing common bahana
मतलब जब 450 square foot land
sir
lot.
କିଛି ଶୁଣା ହବନି
No, it is started so for his brother.
ଏ ସବୁ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଆପଣ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ I'll hear it.
I'll find it.
Land Council issue notice to Land Council State and Council for the State, Mr. Misra, waves of notice on behalf of the petition. List the matters for final hearing. You file your reply first. File your reply. State to file the reply within 4 weeks from today. List the matter for final hearing and sorry, and rejoinder if any. Rejoinder ଦରକାର ଏଥିରେ revision ହବ
କାଳେ ସେ କଣ କରିବେ?
up to you. List the matter for September. 18 September. Till the matter is disposed of, there shall not be any course of action.
ତା ନାଁ ତ allot ହେଇନି କୋର୍ସ।
ହଉ ହେଲା by chance କଣ କରିଦେବେ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଗଲା ଗୋଟେ line. No course of action till then ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଗଲା. Next.
Item 27.
27. Next.
The petitioner's dwelling house in extended to the government land, my lord. For which, my
Sorry,
lord,
I couldn't understand. Dwelling.
my lord, some portion of the dwelling house of the petitioner
It is reverse.
has been extended towards the government land, my lord.
Extended towards the government land ମାନେ
ଘରଟା ଟିକେ ବଢି ଯାଇଛି ଆଗକୁ ସରକାରୀ ଜାଗାକୁ ବଢି ଯାଇଛି ଇନଏଡିକ୍ଟଲି।
ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଘର ବନେଇଲା ବେଳକୁ ବଡ ଦେଲେ ସରକାରୀ ମାରିଦେଲେ ଇନଆଡଭର୍ଟେଣ୍ଟଲି ବାଃ ଆମେ ତ ସବୁ ଭକୁଆ ବସିଛୁ ଏଠି ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଏକା ଚାଲା
ଅଳ୍ପ 3 ଫୁଟ ମାଡି ଯାଇଛି।
3 ଫୁଟ କଣ ଜାଗା ନୁହେଁ 1 ଫୁଟ ଲାଗି କଣ କେତେ କଣ ହଁ
3 ଫୁଟରେ ଯଦି ଲମ୍ବାଟା 100 ଫୁଟ ତ it will come 300 square feet madam.
ଚାଲାକିରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମାରିଗଲା ଟିକେ the petitioner has approached towards the government land unauthorizedly while constructing his dwelling house.
Well,
and notice ta kodi achi
there is no notice about the in para 3 Bhubaneswar municipality as threatening to demolish and to evict address public address system.
ଆଇଲେ ଦେଖିବ
No, so no.
କିଛି
cause of
ଆପଣ
action.
କିଛି ନୋଟିସ ଆସିନି କାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି land council but no notice has been issued by the Bhubaneswar Municipality Authority.
My lord, Patrapara area.
BMC to the petitioner and no cause of action is there. The petitioner can approach the court as and when a notice of eviction is served on to that.
Well, till that I don't know what's here.
course of action କଣ ପାଇଁ ଭଲ ଗୋଟେ ଘୋଷି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି no course of action ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବ ତ 7 ଦିନ ଦେବେ ନା ନୋଟିସ 7 days ନୋଟିସ ଦେଲେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେବେ ଏଇଟା ରଖିଥାନ୍ତୁ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ତ ଅଛି ଚିପକେଇ ଦେବେ ତ ଖାଲି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫିଜ ବନିଯିବ ମାଇକରେ ଘୋଷଣା କରି ଆପଣ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ମାଇକ ଘୋଷଣାକୁ ଆମେ ମାନୁନୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ କେବେ ବି ମାଇକ ଘୋଷଣା ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ କରନ୍ତି ଆଗ ନୋଟିସ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ତାପରେ ମାଇକ ଘୋଷଣା କରନ୍ତି ଉଲ୍ଟା କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଗୋଟେ କଲ୍ୟାଣ ମଣ୍ଡପ
କୋଉଠି
କଲ୍ୟାଣ ମଣ୍ଡପ constructed inside the temple premises my lord.
କେତେ ନମ୍ବରଟା
28.
28
illegally constructed mandap in premises of the
କିଏ
my lord, I am one of the villager my lord.
villager
Yes my lord.
ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବିନ୍ଧିଲା
My lord, there is a the villagers are depending on that land my lord, there is a temple my lords.
ହଁ ଟେମ୍ପଲ ହେଲା
Yes.
ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା
The
କଲ୍ୟାଣ
inside the temple my lord say mandap
ମଣ୍ଡପ କିଏ ବନେଇଲା
the government is government my lords.
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ବନେଇଲା
Yes my lord.
ଆପଣ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା
My lord, there is a ଆଇଁଷ ଫାଇଁଷ ସବୁ ପକଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି there is a ମନ୍ଦିର my lords, there is a temple. So my lord,
ପକେଇବେ ନା ପକେଇବେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଡିସାଇଡ କରିବ
no my lord, there is a
Your lordship.
କିଶମ my lord ଦେବସ୍ଥଳୀ land
जाओ,
system.
एंको पक्को जाओ।
No, no, no religion, my lord. That's the
And-
land dispute, my lord. That the villagers are depending on the temple, my lord.
How this court will interfere with this माइसा के पकेवे न पकेवे?
No, no, that is not, I am saying that. I am saying-
बेसी करन तो के आइसा एठी करिवोनी कहबे गला
No, there is no.
गाँ रे कहबे लोक मान को कहबे जे एठी के आइसा करिवो नै जे आइसा ताको हम दोड़े दोड़े बाड़ेबु
So-
आ गाँ की करिवो
So that one I am
The best.
highly repentation before the collector, my lord.
जान तो कलेक्टर पाको जान
There is, my lord,
दे
repentation.
जल्दी जान दो
It is.
Annexation 2.
It is an admitted petitioner that it is a PIL. Your lordship kindly see page, para 5. Para 5
भाई
at page 5.
अपन बुझले दिस कोर्ट हैज बीन कन्वर्टेड टू पता नहीं क्या कोर्ट
Para 5, page 5. Your lordship got it? That the law is well settled, that the land having Kisam Devastali recorded in the name of government, the authority is required to be evicted for for interest. So it is basically a public interest litigation.
this court the present petitioner has come approach this court to refrain people from eating aisa.
There is not polluted the
तो ये
environment.
कोर्ट पास
So,
करिवो कोर्ट जा पीएल फाइल करो this is देखो
my lord, I am filing a repentation before the collector, my lord.
the
collector. Annexure 2. My lord,
the petitioner
yes, my lord.
is pending before the district collector Dhenkanal
Yes, my lord.
since ever do
My lord,
that the
no, this
28/11/2023
2/12/2023. দুই বার
हाँ अपन लिखी जो नहीं बैठे तो लिखा है जो 28/11 वाले लिखा है
পোস্টালে পঠাইলে
দুইবার।
দুইবারে পোস্ট অফিস
okay the without going to the medical case the representation pending before the collector Dhenkanal since 2/12/2023 एते कदा आउट फ्रेश दे देंदु
हाँ, मुझे
हो से जाए
हाँ दे
the petitioner to approach the collector Dhenkanal for appropriate action against the action approach the collector Dhenkanal for disposal of the recommendation.
Your lordship, may I pray, my lord? Let the petitioner approach the collector again with a fresh
That
representation.
is what I'm saying. It to approach the collector with a fresh representation, and the collector shall dispose of the said within 1 month from the date of presentation. Or going to dispose of. In that case, the representation. Next 29. In that case, धरी के आइबे नहीं client को सीधा मना करी तो जोत्ता वाड़ी में पड़ा हुआ छोड़ पाई.
The structure extending to the petitioner's house in respect of the same earlier occasion
Extending to the prisoner house माने
municipality ଜାଗାରେ ଆମ ଜାଗାକୁ ଲାଗିକି construction ବଢାଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
किए बड़ी ची?
adjacent opposition number 3. Last occasion the matter was directed by this honorable court to the opinion number 2 municipality officer to executive officer to dispose of the matter as earlier as possible. In view of such, he has passed the order by the annexure 6 matter. That is best starting.
What happened in that?
PLE ରେ କେମିତି ଆସିବ?
What happened in that?
এটা municipality NSC matter টা
NSC matter में पागल.
ঠিক কেମିତି ଆସିବ?
আসি
OPLE
না না OPL স্যার না
हाँ?
এটা NSC রে স্যার
তাহলে OPLE ने तो रिका आसीबो
না OPL স্যার
तो जान दो
Appropriate.
স্যার NSC kindly listen to my prayer at least.
सर मो मैटर जदी मोर सब्जेक्ट मैटर नहीं मु काई लिसन टू अपन पेयर को करी
এটা unauthorized construction স্যার নো
by the way listen word is not a right word hearing not listening
sorry,
listening
sorry.
is song
Sorry, sir. So actually, last occasion, this honorable court has directed the municipality officer to dispose of and do the.
sir this I am not going to this is not a matter before this court खत्म मो पाखरे मैटर नहीं अपन जो मैटर जोर से लागिवो ठीक जैसे
এটা সে ডিমোলিশন গ্রাউন্ড ডিমোলিশন টা আম পাখরে আছে
demolition.
demolition.
Sir, It's
এটা
matter
ଆପଣ
relating to demolition.
ଆପଣ actually NSC demolish କରିଛି
Demol-
ଆପଣ କାହା ଜାଗାକୁ କିଏ demolish କରିଛି
Sir, municipality ର ଜାଗା ଆମକୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି।
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି
ମୋ ଘରକୁ ଲାଗିକି ମୋ adjacent neighbor
ହଁ।
ମୋ ଘରକୁ ବଢେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ଯୋଉଟା କି inquiry ମଧ୍ୟ NSC ଅଫିସର କରିଛନ୍ତି କଲା ପରେ establish extended
you approach the executive officer why are you approaching?
ସେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ଅର୍ଡର
ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ରେ କଣ ହେଲା
3 ମାସ ଭିତରେ କରିବ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ 23 ରୁ
ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ରେ କଣ ହେଲା
3 months ଭିତରେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି NSC ଅଫିସର ଟୁ ଡିମୋଲିଶ
ତାପରେ
ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
ତ
କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ କାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କଲେନି
କାହା ଉପରେ ସାର୍ ସେଠି ସାର୍ ଆଉ NSC ରେ ସାର୍
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଥିଲା
ନା ସାର୍ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ବଳରେ ସେ କଲେ ସାର୍ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ଲର୍ଡସିପ କାଲି ହେଭି କନଷ୍ଟ ଆନେକ୍ସର 5
ତ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ଏବେ
ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଆନେକ୍ସର 6 ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ଆକ୍ସନ ହବ କହିବେ
ଯଦି ସେ ଅପିଲରେ ପଳେଇଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ତାର
ନା ନା ଅପିଲ ନାହିଁ ହେଇଥିଲେ ହେଇଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ
ଯେମିତି ଓଡିଆ ଆକ୍ଟ ରେ 91 ରେ ଅପିଲ ଅଛି
ନା ନା
ମ୍ୟୁନିସିପାଲିଟି ରେ ସେମିତି ଅପିଲ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଥିବ
ନା ନା he has not filed any
ଅପିଲ
appeal
ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଦିଏ
ଅପିଲ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ
ନା
ଦିଆ
appeal କାହା ପାଖରେ କରିବେ
କମିଶନରଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
ନା କମିଶନର କିନ୍ତୁ appeal ହେଲେ ବର୍ଷେ
ଆପଣ ଆମକୁ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି କାହା ପାଖରେ
ନା, ନା,
ଅପିଲ ଆପଣ କମିଶନର କପି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ପୁଣି କମିଶନର କପି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କମିଶନର କମ୍ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ରେଭିନ୍ୟୁ ଡିସାଷ୍ଟର ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
sir last occasion this honorable high court specifically directed the appeal number 2 to
म्युनिसिपालिटी जो दी दिस इज भुवनेश्वर
ନାଇଁ sir ଏଇଟା
कितने नंबर
ମୟୂରଭଞ୍ଜ ଉତ୍ତରା
कितने नंबर है
executive officer sir.
Item 29
29 sir
से ऑर्डर अगेंस्ट अपील प्रोविजन अछि को इधर म्युनिसिपालिटी जो ये करता ऑर्डर अगेंस्ट अपील प्रोविजन अछि
sir ବର୍ଷେ କେତେ ମାସ ହେଲାଣି he is not taking any action despite the direction of the honorable court sir specifically directed to evict that portion of land demolish that portion of land which extended to my house and by answer 6 he passed the order to demolish but in the meantime more than since 28/10/2019 second the matter is the order of the executive officer is pending since 14/11/2022 that the matter related page 24 my lord page 24 in view of such it is found that the opposite party has constructed her house over plot number 1039 correspond to khata number
opposite party this what is his name
opposite party Jyotsna Moy
okay. It has come to the notice of the Special Planning Authority Udala that you have completed construction double story residential building of Sonsu in Moja Udala town also with the Udala master plan area without taking approval of NOC. They have showcase. This. What is the action taken by the NSC with the order?
That's have a glass to page 24 ordering person that is in view of such it is found that the opposite party has constructed a house over plot number 1039 correspond to khata number 20127 in ward number 10 under Udala NSC for which Srimati Barik owner of the adjacent house is affected therefore as per report of the inquiry officer the required portion upon which unauthorized construction has been made are allowed to be demolished for the interest of justice so it is directed to evict the building standing on plot number so and so NSC following due process within 3 months. Order is my lord. Order is 14/11/2022.
Land consider the petition submit that because of the unauthorized construction made by the opposite party number 3 which is adjacent to the present petition house.
Sorry, my lord, it's for status.
Right. The
Udala.
executive officer NC Udala has passed an order page 24, the last portion, portfolio, wherein it has been held that so and so court. And but the order has not yet been put to execution by the authority.
OP number 3.
OP number 3. And trying to approach this court for implementation of the order passed by the OP number 3. Without going into the merit of the case, this court is of the view that the OP number 3 shall strictly comply with the order passed by passed on 28/10/2019.
14/11/2022 sir.
এটা লেখা আছে বলে I think আচ্ছা sorry 14/11/2022 sir. It is made clear that the aforesaid order shall be executed within 15 days from the receipt of the order. One. Next disposal. Next,
Item 30.
30.
May be relost. The petitioner filed this application in next.
30. Who is the petitioner? ଆପଣ କିଏ?
The opposite party 4.
କିଏ ଆପଣ?
I am the landowner. I am constructing my house in my.
Landowner ଆପଣ ନିଜ land.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ନିଜ land.
But the opposite party.
But what is the
made
problem?
construction.
Sir,
Lords.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ
Lords.
slow, go slow.
Lords.
I am not in a hurry. You are the landowner.
Yeah, Lordship.
Opposite କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଏଠିକି?
OP number 4 construction made construction over the government road.
Government road.
Government road.
ହଁ.
For which I am not communicate to commit the communication for the main road. Village road टाକୁ
Okay.
cover से कर देगी
ଆପଣ
construction
cover
कर
କରିଦେଲା।
देगी ତେଣୁ
କୋଉ
ସେ ରାସ୍ତା
ଗାଁରେ
ମୁଁ
ଏଟା?
ଦେଇପାରୁନି।
କୋଉ ଗାଁରେ?
ଏଟା ହଉଛି ଗୁରୁଝାଟିଆ ବାଲିପୁର ଗୁରୁଝାଟିଆ
କୋଉଠି ସେଟା?
କଟକ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ।
ଏଇ ଆଡଗଡ ପାଖରେ ଗୁରୁଡି ଝାଟିଆ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
So the petitioner has approached this court by challenging the seeking the eviction of the illegal encroacher on the village road, which is causing serious inconveniences to the public. Full stop. The also approached court application.
Annexure 3 series page 20 with the
Has
Tahsildar.
approached the Tahsildar Athgad since 18/6/2020, but there has not been any action.
Then 2023. Next 23 also.
And also
Series.
another recommendation on
7/10/2023.
7/10/2023, but the Tahsildar has not initiated any action against the said encroacher. Full stop. Without going to the merits of the case, the petitioner, the Tahsildar,
OP number 3.
OP number 3 is directed to dispose of the representation of the petitioner within 4 weeks from today, 4 weeks from the presentation of this order. According to disposal. Therefore, next.
Item
Okay.
32.
32. What is the order? What is the case?
In possession of 1.43 decimal of land, IR has been collected in my name. But suddenly, after 16 years, the sub-collector canceled that lease.
Lease, the lease land.
Encroachment case. Order passed in encroachment case. Suddenly, the sub-collector cancelled. Ground that the record is not available. My lord, page 31 is the relevant order of the sub-collector.
The record is not available. No, that means there is no record.
The recording I have next. It is 2019. It is available with me. Page 17 to page 21.
Okay, you take instruction.
But in this case, for the same land, another appeal has been preferred by another person, Sudarshan Sahu.
Yes.
He has not made him a party.
Make him a party. When the person is there, you have to make him party. Plan counsel the petitioner to amend the petition by
Upon usually.
another encroacher who is claiming to be the owner of the said land.
No.
Huh?
Yes. That is.
Yes, no, कौन कौन yes ना no.
No, page 31. Page 31.
आपण ताको पार्टी बनानु
हाँ, ठीक है।
अच्छा यदि दुई जन गोटे को क्लेम करिवे
କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗାଁ ବାଲା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ସୁଦର୍ଶନ
ଜାଣିନି ଏତେ କଥା
ସୁଦର୍ଶନ ସାହୁ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ଅଛି
ତ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଜଷ୍ଟ you make him also part implies the what is his name
Mr. Sudarshan Sahu.
Sudarshan Sahu as the
necessary party.
civil part. List the matter on 20th August. Next.
33. Legal
33.
notes. Let me come to page 36, the impugned order. Para 3. May I read lordships? Brief facts of the case.
What is the case about?
Well, it's an encroachment case. Admittedly, I have been on the land acquired since 1991 and the Tahsildar initiated encroachment case in 2023. So I have sought for settlement under section 8A because more than 30 years occupation land has been reflected as per the government records, lordships. May I take lordships to section 8A, lordships?
This another petition was
Yes,
filed
my
by
lord.
some Sushil Kumar Agarwal. Who is
Please, exactly, my lords, may remember that medicine store of 120 square feet was situated on this land. Last occasion, I had told that we have preferred appeal against the revision order before this court, and lordships, the matter is before you, and it has come.
the order passed by this court. What is the order?
Well, the order
The
was,
earlier occasion.
there are two orders earlier, my lords. First, the Tahsildar was directed to dispose the appeal of the.
The appeal is pending.
No, my lords. They are rejected my application for settlement under 8A.
We are approaching.
Then we went to the High Court again. Then High Court put us back to the collector. The collector also rejected, but I'll show the, my lords, the section 8A, my lords, kindly bear with me. I'll read out section 8A, my lords. My lords, I am reading, my lords. Where in the course of any proceeding instituted under section so and so against any person unauthorizedly occupying any land, it is proved by such person that he has been in actual continuous and undisputed occupation of the land for more than 30 years by the date of institution of the proceeding, the Tahsildar shall refer the case to subdivisional officer. My lords, the Tahsildar immediately issued form that A and B on 28th of August 2023 and 29th demolition order. Next day, that we had challenged for this honorable court. My lords, may come to subclass 2, lordships. On receipt of reference under subsection 1, the subdivision officer shall given the department of the state government other than the revenue department to which the land belongs an opportunity to show cause against the settlement of the land may make such further inquiry as he deems necessary. Whereas in this case, admittedly the land is PWD was never made a party nor any inquiry made by the Tahsildar. If after making such inquiry, the subdivisional officer is satisfied that such person has been in such occupation of the land as aforesaid, he may by order settle the land with him and every such settlement shall be subject to such conditions so and so. My lords, may I take to the department which owns the land, my lords. May kindly come to lordships, may come to page 17, lordships. The letter of the chief engineer, PWD.
Page 17.
17, my lords. That's the first para towards last 4 lines.
Yes.
The medicine store structure was not demolished at the time of 4-laning construction, the reason of which 4-laning carriage so and so, medicine store situated. In view of the above, my last para, the authority may consider for return of the patch of land medicine store to the original landowner, Sushil Agarwal, as the said store is situated away from the 4-laning carriageway. At present, there is no proposal further expansion of the road. There are expressway. Then my lords may come
So
to
they had just
acquired
evicted because of the 4-laning. 4-laning didn't happen.
acquired in 1991. 30 years has lapsed, this initiated encroachment proceeding in 2023. So the necessary department was PWD.
Okay.
The Tehsildar should have intimated PWD, heard their part and decided on May 8 a settlement application. Well, they have neither followed that thing, nor the section provides that the Tehsildar should on his own inquire and put it to the SDU. They initiated encroachment proceeding on 28th August 2023 and 29th issued demolition orders. And these are the chain of litigation that I am here, my lord.
What is your instruction?
First time.
Okay. Learn costs with the state to take this section. Madam. In the meantime, there shall not be any course election. Till the next date.
I will file my reply.
Final.
Final order ପରେ ଆସିଛି, so I will file my reply.
ठीक है. List the 3rd September.
Madam.
Problem, no problem to you. 3rd September, I think Tuesday, so no problem. Monday is a problem for you.
Today is also a Monday, lordships.
No, Monday. No. Monday, Supreme Court lawyers. Supreme Court lawyers, that is a Lakshmi day. And baki rest of the days are sports days.
Pilots rightly said it was a Lakshmi day, so wherever Lakshmi is there, day is Monday. Hopeless lordships. Great.
Okay. This is matter on 3rd September. Next.
Item 34.
34. 34.
May I please? Your Honor, the petitioner is challenging the resumption of land under the OGLS Act.
OGLS is not before me, sir. Different bench. Let it be placed before the. Since the matter pertaining
Until 6 lordship here, straight I come to Annexure 4, Annexure 3 lordship.
What is the matter?
Matter lordship, I am in possession in particular land lordship. Now they are going to construct a lordship, a substation office lordship, kindly see.
Position means
Encroachment. सरकार जगह रे घरटा करी अछि मु ମୋ ନାଁରେ
ତାଙ୍କ ଜାଗାରେ ସେମାନେ କରିବେ ଘୋଷଣା କଲେ ଯାହା କରିବେ
ସରକାର
ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ସେ ଯାହା କରିବେ
ନୋଟିସ ବି ଦିଆହେଇନି।
ସରକାର ଜାଗାଟା ହଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଇ ସେଥିରେ ମୁଁ ଆସିଛି without notice lordship they have proposed to demolish lordship kindly see Annexure 3
how do you propose ରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଜାଣିଲେ
ନା 3 Annexure 3 पर lordship kindly see 3 4 ମୁଁ annex କରିଛି paper order ସବୁ with reference subject I am to submit here with the scheduled land trade South Co Papadahandi demarcated by the revenue inspector Papadahandi for taking further necessary action. The next page lordship can see. With reference to subject, I am to submit here with the land schedule, trace map, landmark, site Papadahandi and sketch map. They have taken a decision to demolish lordship to take up possession.
but they have not given they have taken decision but they have not given you any notice so far.
But मत notice न देकी
this is the 7 days notice
ना 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 से पर status से भांगु चलती
केम दिए
lordship
हां ना
but instruction खाली आनंद lordship can more other not make a statement.
If my learning senior has any grievance, let them approach the authority.
approach the tahsildar
Lordship,
A same ଜିନିଷ grievance
lordship till their status quo lordship till the decision is taken.
they're going to be petitioner is approach the tahsildar right for section 12 huh
Aye.
section 12 1 the OPD Act within 1 week yeah. And the Tahsildar shall take up the matter at the earliest possible. Till the matter is taken up by the Tahsildar, there shall not be any course of action.
Lordship, grateful.
Next.
37.
37 ଟା just lordship reverse. ଏଇଟା ସରକାର ଜାଗା ରୋଡ କୁ ମୋ ଘର ମାଡ଼ି ବସିଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକ but the Tahsildar is not taking any action. Recommendation lordship Tahsildar can take take the entire.
So
issue,
still
Lordship.
representation pending.
Lordship, annexer, Lordship, 2 series.
1 month for the plain dismiss order. Huh? Okay, next. This
Next.
way. Next.
38.
Counted, press counted to the Tahsildar Kochi.
Settle ದರ್ಕಾರ settle they have to he has to take decision.
Action.
Your Lordship,
Do one thing, you give a fresh representation. Say representation order not has office record.
I'll file a press representation, Lordship. Lordship.
Next.
Your Lordship, due to sudden demise of a relative of my senior,
Keda number?
38.
Ah.
Can you be adjourned, sir?
What is the matter about? You argue.
So I have no power in this case.
What your power? I'm giving the power. Don't say your power. कहाँ से power आता है भाई? Power करते रहते. Power कुछ है ला? No power कौन? Attorney.
I'm sorry, sir.
Then
But I have no instruction.
why are you saying this? Where did you get the word power? Tell me. Where did you get the word power? यहाँ को देख ले sir, I have no power. I have. What is the power? Why don't you? It's not a power of attorney. Wakalatnama is not power of attorney. So you can say I'm not authorized. I have no instruction. You can say like this. I have no power.
I have no instructions.
Don't say what power. So I have my name is not there in the Wakalatnama. You can say like that.
Yes.
Don't say Wakalatnama. Oh, is not wa. It is wa. Wakalatnama.
Lordship.
Wakalatnama. Hala. कौन ला? Issue कौन कौन तो ठीक है?
I have no instruction regarding that, but due to sudden demise of
So you have read the file.
I have read.
If you have not read the file, then
have read the file.
now tell me. Yes, good, very
But
yes, now tell me.
it is regarding encroachment of a private party. Like petitioner is filed this. Okay.
Petitioner is who is the petitioner? Petitioner is key.
Petitioner is a like he filed a petition regarding encroachment private party.
Who is encroachment of the road?
Encroachment, yeah.
Non-injury manner.
Government land.
It is a map. May I clarify, manner?
So आप जो मुंडा दुखा पाटी. आपण मुंडा बिंदिला.
It's a PIL in nature.
आपण मुंडा बिंदिला.
I have no instruction regarding that. Please,
ठीक है, let us see welcome. Okay. This is the matter on 28th. Next.
39.
39. Non appears. 11th September. 40.
40. My lord, withdraw for better application.
Huh?
Withdraw for better application.
ଭଲ କରି ନ କଲେ ମୁଁ withdraw କରିବି। କଣ ଭଲ କରି କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ withdraw for better କଣ ଏଇଟା ବି କଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ? Do it properly କୁହନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ କୋଉ ସିନିୟର କାନରେ ଟିକେ ଭିଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କଣ କହିବେ ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ ଭଲ କରି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ସାରା
May I please, my lord?
next
My lord, in this case, challenging the eviction notice by the Tahsildar at paragraph at annex number 4, your lordship. My lord, the petitioners are inhabitants inhabiting in the land for over 50 years, your lordship. The land belongs to the Jagannath deity temple in Puri, your lordship. My lord, the Jagannath temple has a policy to settle the land in favor of those who are occupying the lands for over 30-40 years at the price fixed by the market price. Your lordship, my lord.
OPL based on the letter issued by the administrator revenue of the Sri Jagannath temple, the administrator requested the Tahsildar to vacate the land. Though it is a Amrutamana property manor, directed the Tahsildar, requested the Tahsildar to vacate the land manor. Thereafter, based on that report, that letter, the Tahsildar issued eviction notice. Be that is, my lord, my humble prayer is, my lord, Your Lordship may issue notice because temple administration is the main contesting party. They are the answering party. Mr. Subrat Satpathy is appearing
Temple.
for temple, Jagannath Temple, Puri.
Give him a copy.
Right.
And counsel for the petitioner to serve the copy on the council for the temple administration. Temple administration, Jagannath Temple, yeah, Puri. Give a copy to him.
My lord.
List the matter on
My lord, interim.
20th August.
My lord, interim application.
In the meantime, there
Annex.
shall not be any procedure. Petitioner.
My lord, date is 24th.
28.
20. Give a
Okay.
copy.
My
So
lord.
so that. they can take us. Next,
43.
43.
43 same.
43 same.
Aye.
इधर इधर चला उधर चला
44 बोली 44 भी
amending the writ petition. Why don't you withdraw and file the better one? What is the harm in that? Like the petitioner, the law counsel, the petitioner seeks to withdraw the writ petition in order to file a better writ petition with better particulars. Huh? Fine, call the fatapat. That will be listed. Huh? Go. Next,
46.
46.
May I please your lordship? I read a notice under Annex 2 regarding eviction of government land encroached by the petitioner has been issued in that
You are
particular
the
case.
encroacher.
Encroachment case number 4/5.
Wow. Case is
That is
pending.
pending. Your lordship, you can direct dispose of that
May
encroachment
your
case.
Lordship kind indulgence, my lord. Page 6, prayer of my senior my lord. He is praying for quashing of that Annexure 2. Annexure 2 is the notice. Here in last paragraph of the notice, the Tahsildar categorically mentioned that you are therefore requested to submit your written statement. And it is a premature one.
Why have you come here? Laga.
But encroachment
Laga,
proceeding has been
nothing doing.
initiated.
The petitioner has approached this court with a half back, having no cause of action. HALF half BAKD back end. Backed. See, back Puda, Dorapuda. La Odiana Dorapuda. Petition without showing any cause of action. Full stop. The prayer made by the petitioner seeking quashing of the Annexure 1.
Annexure 2, my lord.
Yes, sir, Annexure 2, wherein the Tahsildar Matsa Ghai has directed to submit the written statement before the said court in the what is that? The eviction proceedings. Proceedings case number kete?
But no case number has been listed. Khali dated 11 that has been listed. But encroachment case has been initiated. That is 4/.
And instead of filing the Abina case, our written statement file koi do. Ki kotha?
My lord, in this case, I am
आपने किया क्या?
intervener.
आपने छाड़ा इंटरवेनर नहीं आप पिटिशनर को मतलब सुनिए इंटरवेनर कैसे सुनिए बसंत बस मो इंटरवेनर के अलाउ करूँ नहीं बसंत प्लीज प्लीज बसंत मो इंटरवेनर सुनुनी आज्ञा मो सुनुनी पर कहली आपन कथा मैं सुनी भी नहीं आपन इंटरवेनर में अप्लाई अलाउ करेनी कहीं सुनी भी मो तो स्ट्रेट अवे मो तो रिजेक्ट करछि आपन कहीं मुंड बिंदुछि हां the petitioner is directed to file the written statement before the said person at the earliest possible. And it's one that he should not unnecessarily approach the High Court for no cause of action. This court has one this court deprecates the practice of approaching this court without any cause of action. Jantu, dispose of. Next,
Item 47.
47. 47. 47, non-appears.
Last
Hmm?
last two time non-appeal.
Non-appear. It's in the, on the last, this is the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter, we dismiss for non-pursuit. Let's see how it goes. 48.
48.
Correction, the item number 48. Lord, here, the petitioner has filed this writ petition for a return of
48.
48 million.
Uh,
To return a sum of rupees 76,750. But the branch manager has already given an appropriate reply, which is indicated in annexure to page 11.
you are for the petitioner or?
No, I'm for the bank.
I am.
The allegation of the petitioner that the bank has taken excess rate of interest by debiting his account to the tune of rupees 76,750. The branch manager has also given the reply.
So why are you not approaching the ombudsman, sir?
Yes,
All
that
this
is the crux
ombudsman
of
is
the
there.
issue.
You are
That
the-
my lord is rightly, that is the issue.
The petitioner to approach the learned ombudsman seeking his, the redressal of his grievance. Full stop. The petitioner. According to this.
Disposal. Oblige.
Next.
My lord, time limit may be.
Now why time limit? You will give grant you time. The ombudsman. If the petitioner approaches the ombudsman within a period of 1 week from today, the ombudsman shall dispose it of at the earliest possible, preferably within a period of 2 months.
My lord, sir, approach 2 weeks, my lord. Approach within 2 weeks. Certified कब पाएगा?
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦରକାର ଅଧିକ ଟାଇମ ସେ 3 month ରେ କରିବ ଇଏ 2 week ରେ କଲା ଆଉ month ବଢିଯିବ ସିଆଡେ
हजुर
2 weeks ରେ ସିଆଡେ
within 2 weeks.
next ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ 2 weeks ଲେଖିଲି ଆଉ next
49.
Like,
49.
please your losses. Last
Directed to serve the copy on me.
have you served?
Yes, already, sir.
Yes, served and I have taken instruction. There is a small counter is necessary because some factual
What is the matter?
matter related to she has purchased the property. And property has been purchased since last 10
Auction
years.
purchase
Yes.
ତ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି auction purchase କହିବେ ନା purchase the property ମାନେ କଣ auction purchasing are different sir.
Auction purchase the property before 10 years.
Before 10 years. So why you have not given him the position?
Yes, possession has been given as per bank has given me.
କେବେ ଦେଲେ? After how many years?
No, it is a open land.
Open ହଉ ଇଏ ହେଲା ଯେ ଆପଣ
On the debt.
property ଇଏ ତାର convince ତ କରିଥିବେ ନା
Yes,
convincing
yes, yes, yes.
Convincing କେବେ କଲେ?
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଦେଇ
କେବେ କଲେ?
After
Auction କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା?
2000 auction was held.
କେବେ property
2012,
Documents
the
ସବୁ
sale was
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି।
confirmed. 2022,
Auction ହେଲା 2010.
10
Certificate ତାଙ୍କୁ issue ହେଇଛି।
2010 ରେ auction ହେଲା
auction, my lord.
2012
27/12 auction ହେଲା
sell certificate ତାଙ୍କୁ issue
to sell certificate after 2 years
10 years. Yes, after 2 years, correct. my lord.
ତାପରେ
Thereafter, what happened in
After 2 years,
2022, they have
ଟିକେ
executed.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ sir
ଏଇ
ଟିକେ
document ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମାଗି ସବୁ
ଏତେ
document 10 years
ଏତେ
ହେଇଗଲା।
ସମୟ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଲାଗିଲା 2 ବର୍ଷ ଆପଣ auction
ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କିଛି document ନାହିଁ after merger ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ମାଗିଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ document ଦିଅ। United Bank of ଥିଲା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
is fine but your bank should have ଯୋଉ bank ବି ସେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ତ merger ହେଇନଥିଲା
ନା
whatever bank was there so why did it take for 2 years?
ସେଇଟା ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ତ ମାଗିଛି ସବୁ ଡିଟେଲ ମାଗିଛି ସେ ଦେଇ ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି ନା ଯେହେତୁ 10 ବର୍ଷ ପାର ହେଇଗଲାଣି ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ସେ ମାଗିଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ କନସର୍ନ ଇଏକୁ।
ତାପରେ thereafter, page 26. 2022, they have executed the sale deed. But till date, no possession has been delivered, my lord.
ଖାଲି land ପରା କି position
No, auction was made in the year 2010, just a minute.
अरे सर टिके रुहंतु खाली ना
Halil land, nobody. There was a possession, another person, OP5 is purchasing.
से कौन करछि से
OP5 was purchasing. Prior to that, what
खाली
happened?
खाली land तो आपण पुलिस ये पुलिस
Now, what happened in this case, my
बैंक
lord?
वाला पुलिस वाला को ये कर
No, ଏଥିରେ କଣ ହେଇଛି?
ଖାଲି land ରେ there is
ଖାଲି
No, ଗୋଟେ minute, ମୁଁ କହିବି।
ଆପଣ पुलिस को
ତାଙ୍କର record but
ଆପଣ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ पुलिस को कहीं जरूर धरू नांदी
पुलिस दरकार बनी बैंक पर दोन पोजीशन बैंक देले 12 वर्ष पर सेल एग्जीक्यूट कले मु टिके कहि दिए गोटे मिनिट यो लॉस 2010 रे ऑक्शन हैला 2012 रे सेल कंफर्मेशन हैला 2022 रे सेल डीड एग्जीक्यूट कले there was a difficulty what difficulty was that
What is the problem for not
yes
executing sale deed
that
for
is
such
what is
long?
the difficulty that is what I have to
What is the problem for not executing the sale deed for such a long time?
12 years
Hard approach, sir. It is your duty.
No, it is.
When auction purchaser is କିଣୁଛି ବୋଲେ ଆପଣ କରିକି ଦେବେ।
File a counter affidavit behind it.
ଆପଣ
Because
ଯଦି
the husband of the
No. The bank is at fault from the beginning. ଆପଣ 2 ବର୍ଷ ଲାଗୁଛି ଏଟା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ execution କରିବା ପାଇଁ even you are taking 10 years.
document ନାହିଁ ପୁଣି 22 ରେ
The
ଦେଲେ
bank will impose the cost on the bank minimum 5 lakh. 5 lakh minimum impose karibi. This is not done.
It will be required from his
What is the sanctity of the auction?
husband पर नीचे से auction से transfer थला
Maybe. How does it matter? Bank will have to pay cost.
ପାଲାନି ତାର death ପରେ ସେମାନେ ଆସିଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ଯାହା ବି ହେଲା ଆପଣ କରିବି ଦେବେନି କଣ ପାଇଁ
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ affidavit ଟା କରିବି ପୁରା detail
land council this bank 6 to 2 weeks time 2 weeks 2 weeks time to file the affidavit. If the bank is on the wrong side, please tell your bank officers. It is on the wrong side, sir. From the face of on the face of it, bank is on the wrong side.
let them supply the documents.
What supply the document? It is on the wrong side. Tell me. Please tell your officer 5 lakh rupees. They should be ready with 5 lakh rupees for cost. Cost देबे 5 lakh अपन को देबी. You get 5 lakh. Out of that 5 lakh, 20,000 you pay to the library. 5 lakh दिलेगी. Yeah.
Husband
given the affidavit
But he responsible था वो मुझे देबी है
death ପରେ ଏ ସବୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଛି
I'll ensure that he gets 5 lakh. Yeah. Next. Next.
Item 51.
51.
Today I'm filing the surrender certificate.
Yes.
I'm filing the surrender certificate.
You have surrendered?
Yes. On time I have surrendered.
Okay. So today is for bail.
Yes,
Regular
bail,
bail?
you'll ultimately call it on 16th.
ठीक है 16 कर
Xerox copy of surrender certificate.
ठीक है
Item 52.
52.
Last day I took time to obtain some documents, your lordship.
What document you want?
Regarding other cases, documents, your lordship. So
Other case is there in the file.
only 1 week time, your lordship.
Antecedent.
No, on the basis of antecedents, my bail was cancelled, your lordship.
Okay.
I was on bail in this case.
Okay. 3rd September. आराम से खुद खुद आना था. Next.
53.
53.
53, I am for the
53 may kindly be taken after lunch.
No, I am seeking an adjournment because your lordship directed me to file an objection to the IA. The IA is for amendment. Now they have filed a consolidated, your lordship may allow the amendment and I will file a counter, additional counter.
Amendment for what? What do you want?
No, amendment they have filed.
We filed the amendment for
They
consolidated.
File a
some. Let them serve a copy, I will file an additional counter.
Okay. Amendment allowed. File the consider was list the matter on 4th September.
Also, Item
Next.
55.
May I please your lordship, my lord, offence under 307 IPC, RI for 4 years and 1,000 fine, deferred payment of to undergone RI 6 months. My lord, 307 conviction ହେଇଥିଲା 4 ବର୍ଷ ତାକୁ ଦଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଛି ଆଜି କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଡିଲେ ଆଲାଉ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଡିଲେ କଣ୍ଡିସନ
Delay? How much delay? How much delay, sir?
8,302 days.
3,000 କୋଉ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ ଆପଣ ଶୋଇଥିଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା?
ମାନେ ହେଇଛି literate person my
What? Just a minute. Offense କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା?
307 my lord.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ. You know, you have the file.
Well, sir.
What is the case?
Lord, he demanded money and thereafter he assaulted. That is the gist of the case.
So Lordship, let me file an objection to the condonation of delay petition, my lord.
Demanded money from, he's an illiterate person.
Yes, my lord.
He's an illiterate person.
He has no
File an
knowledge.
affidavit.
He
No,
has
file
no
an affidavit.
knowledge. Ignore
File
about
an
law.
affidavit. ରୋହନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଆପଣ କହି ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି ଯଦି ଭିସିରେ କରିବେ ଦୟାକରି have the patience to listen to the court.
Yes, my lord.
ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ବକ ବକ କଲେ ହବନି କୋର୍ଟ କୁ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ହଁ ସେ illiterate person କହିଲେ ନା ତାର ଗୋଟେ affidavit ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ he is illiterate person.
କଷ୍ଟଡି ଅଛି
affidavit ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ
କଷ୍ଟଡି ଅଛି
ହଁ
କଷ୍ଟଡି ଅଛି
ହଁ
କଷ୍ଟଡି ଅଛି
କଷ୍ଟଡି ଅଛି ନା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ କହୁଛି ତାଠୁ ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ପେରୋକାର ଥିବ ନା କି ଗୋଟେ ପେରୋକାର ଥିବ ଫାଇଲ କରୁ he is an illiterate person. ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରୁ ତାପରେ I'll consider ମିଛଟାରେ illiterate person ଲେବରର କହିକି ନେଇ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଲମ୍ବା ଲମ୍ବା ଡିଲେ ଅଛି ନେଇକି ପଡୁଛି just he doesn't have the respect for the law. He is conveniently he was roaming around. He never surrendered and you are saying he is a illiterate person. You file an affidavit stating that he is an illiterate person. Allah. So affidavit just ମୁଁ ପୋଲିସ ପଠେଇବି ନହେଲେ କେତେ ପାଠ ପଢିଛି ଖବର ନେଇଯିବି. The local police will go and find out from the neighbor and other people that କେତେ ପାଠ ପଢିଛି ଜଣା ପଡିଯିବ. ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ. Let him file the affidavit of illiteracy and you also file your
I'll file my objection, my lord.
Objection to the delay and learn the petitioner to file an affidavit stating that the petitioner is illiterate man. Okay. Illiteracy not a ground for getting delay condoned. Illiteracy can never be a ground.
I ignore about law.
Ignorance of law is not an excuse. Don't say all these things. Ignorance. Next.
Item 56. My lord, this is regarding RACP payment and calculation of pension. Nine.
56.
My lord. Opposite party, that matter relates to release of the service benefit that are already been granted all the persons.
You are from the calling of it is alive. I think it is dead today.
Calico spinning mill.
Huh?
Calico spinning mill.
Yeah.
That has been closed since long, but I am in touch.
Now,
Since 2002, it has been
closed.
liquidated.
I am for opinion number 3, the liquidator for the opposite party.
They've approved after 12 years of liquidation. No objection was filed during the period of.
You are for the liquidator?
Yes. My liquid for managing director in charge.
How company name the managing?
I am the opposite petitioner.
Who is for the petitioner? Petitioner ke?
Ito lekhi all the cases sorry. Supreme Court also directed to close all the cases within 6 months. But in English, then other cases rahi tangaro. Se file korte so opposite party appeal korchona. This matter all the cases. Rahi jabu. Isa ekati
file korje. Eta bino party.
Se file korte ami opposite party appeal korchimu.
Good sir lagay dono.
Stay coach pura next week aso eno.
Good sir lagay. Let all the matters be tagged together and the matter. And this is the matter on 21st.
My lord. All right.
21st. No, 20th. 20th. Next.
57. My lord, the BMC has made a payment of rupees 31,472. That was brought before your lordship on the last, my lord. My lord, the whole issue is, my lord, we are not getting to know how the calculation has been made. I prayed with your lordship in the meantime, they give the calculation sheet, at least we would know either they have picked it rightly or not.
No, I didn't get. What is this?
My lord, this is regarding RACP, first, second, and third RACP, and fixation of pension as per the RACP. They have, and also I had prayed for the area dues. They have made some payment, my lord, but no affidavit has been filed enclosing calculation sheet as to how they have calculated the amount that they have disbursed.
Lord has taken time to file.
Yes, I had taken, my lord. On the date I had taken, but the whole issue is I was not able to get the calculation. How?
You are for the BMC.
Yes, ma'am.
So why BMC must be having?
Pardon?
BMC must be having the calculation sheet. You file a calculation sheet.
Lastly, my lord and friend wants that he will have.
Forget it. Everything must be with you.
His client is there, my lord.
Forget his client, sir. You are the
He can take it.
employer. You must be having.
Yes, yes,
I
I will supply the calculation, no problem.
Okay, Lord Counsel for the BMC to file the counter with respect to the detail of the payment. Detail of the payment
Yes, and the
made
calculation.
to the present petition. This is the matter. 5th this September. Yes. Next.
Item 58.
58.
Item 58, can I taken up next week, madam? Mr. Ratha.
Time मांगते कहाँ गए तो?
In his seat को ताऊ जो ने मर जाए दशा पाए जाए Hon'Ble.
Junior रथा. Junior रथा कौड़े बोले?
आसिना
हाँ से आज के देखा जाना नहीं कौड़े बोले? हम कोड बोला भी नहीं तुम?
लागू ची
फिर कब आसन आते?
next year next 58 and
16 matter you are asking.
next
8 years old matter, sir. हाँ कौन? You should have come ready.
next year.
What is the matter about?
Next
2nd September. Next. 59.
My lords, I brief manner, I felt that an additional affidavit needs to be filed to bring on record one additional document. So, Lordship may grant whatever is reasonable.
Who is you are for the?
I'm happy. I'm for the union.
You want to file?
No, I want to file petition.
That the Paradeep court.
Put a good document as well, record kind.
Land cards for the petition 6. 1 week time. 2nd.
Okay.
Auri. कौन सार्थ बेटा किसी नहीं मैटर.
बुझू चाहिए.
जितने डॉक्यूमेंट लगने सही रहा है मैं और.
अब गोटे एक्स्ट्रा week.
10th September.
आगे? हाँ.
10th
of Great.
Next.
10th of September. 60.
60. 60.
Regulation matter.
Next week, old matters are why are you taking time?
ମରିଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଜୟନ୍ତ ରଥ ସିନିୟର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ମରିଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ଫୋନ କରି କହିଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ଭାଉଜ ବୋଧେ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଛନ୍ତି ସୁଧ ଘର ପାଇଯାଇଛି
ठीक है केवल देते next
second
next second next
62
62 62 के आपण
Never 61 ଥିଲା ତ
61 ରେ କଣ
set को जाई petitioner time
time नहीं
medical report ready ହେଇତ ଅଛି
time नहीं ଛାଡ କେବେ ଅଛି 5 तक
mine appearance for MC been noted 61
time ତ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କଣ time ପୁରା ଦେଇ
ସେ medical report ଆସିନଥିଲା
medical report ଆସିନି ଗୋଟେ କହୁଥିଲେ
I will misunderstood
ମିଶ୍ର ତା ନାଁ ଲେଖି
published
22
next
item 62
what is the issue?
One advertisement was issued for nothing can be changed after once the application is registered. And in the meantime, the result was published and the Viva was for I was selected in the written qualification one. Thereafter, notices, letters were sent through speed post. So there is no such provision that Viva letters can be sent on speed post. And thereafter, actually, my difficulty is that my lord, while I was applying for the post, by that time I was staying with my father at a quarter, my lord, government quarter. On the superannuation of my father, I was transferred. So it was not served on me, and thereafter I was not able to appear in the Viva bus test. Thereafter I filed a representation, and the representation was disposed of. And that contention challenged the order of that.
Where is it stated that the mode of transmission of the order? Where is that? Come to the advertisement.
Yes, my lord.
Where is it written?
Sorry.
Where is it written? website, permanent residence, so native of the person. Where is it written? Nowhere it is written that it has to be communicated through.
Yes, my
Where is that? Show
my
me.
lord, my lord,
Show me.
my lord. Page 22, my lord.
Page.
Running page 22, my lord.
First come to the advertisement na.
Yes,
Advertisement
that-
कोटी
that
लिखा है
is-
जी.
that is in the advertisement, my lord.
Advertisement देखांतु मते. Advertisement the page अच्छी 12 रे. 12 page 12. Come to page 12. Where is it written?
My
Show
lord,
that.
page 22 of the advertisement, my lord.
Sir, this
There
is
a-
what. This is also
there-
advertisement.
Yes.
Recruitment of assistant manager. So application postal.
Starting from page 12.
Uh.
It is in the.
The continuation there.
Yes, continuation is there.
Okay. Page 22.
Yes, my lord. Page 22. Roman, we have to apply Roman 2 candidates must have a valid personal email ID which should be kept inactive till the recruitment process is over. Under no circumstance a candidate share with mentioned email ID to any other person. In case candidate does not have personal email, he should create his own before applying the online.
So it is email ID, not SMS. What is SMS? Email ID kotha kohaychi.
Yes, my lord.
हाँ तो आपने mail check करिया कथा. Mail check करिया.
No, they have not sent anything on mail, my lord. They have never sent. They have only.
Just a minute, sir. ठीक है अटकी जान्तु. आपण one side कहिबा ताको side सुनिबि नि कि. मु कहूची आपण email रे आपण पठेतिले. तो आपण email काई लिखिले? आपण लिखिले candidate must have a valid. Just a minute, please hear me. Then you will see. Okay. Candidate must have a valid personal email ID which should be kept active till the recruitment process is over. Under no circumstances, a candidate should share a mention email ID to any other person in case candidate does not have a valid email. So. But where is it written that?
Yes, my lord, page 26, para 15, my lord. Intimations will be sent by email ID and oblique SMS only to the email ID and the mobile number.
Sir, now come to 15. Sir, 15 का सम.
Yes, my lord.
15 को लगा.
What is
Intimation will be sent by email.
Yes, my lord.
Or SMS only. Mark the word only.
Yes.
To the email ID and mobile number
Hello, what
registered
has
in the
happened?
online application.
Yes, my lord. What
So
has happened?
then why did you send?
Because I had never issued the advertise. The advertise. That is the whole difficulty.
Who are you?
I am for the bank.
You are for the bank.
Bank. The advertisement was issued by the Register of Cooperative Societies. The Register of Cooperative Societies conducted the written examination. After the written examination,
So let the Register of Cooperative Society have you made it?
the count of the register is necessary because I have
The
submitted.
invitation for viva voce is being sent by the bank, my lord. We have not sent the gist of the case. The petitioner is aggrieved by the invitation.
Register
He is not aggrieved by the advertisement.
Only they have, see, the register might have issued the advertisement, but the bank is recruiting agency.
The bank has never taken any step. The recruitment process commenced by the register.
Who was conducting the recruitment test?
The Register of Cooperative Societies.
That paragraph
Yes,
50,
madam, I'm showing
I don't have a copy of the rate petition, my lord, but what I
Just a
remember.
minute, just a minute. So if I am to send my application, I have to send to whom?
To the Register of Cooperative Society, the website of the RCS and Government of Odisha.
So not to the bank.
No, bank had no intimation at all, no record at all. Subsequently, for any reason, the bank is not aware for what reason it has been sent to the different banks. But the register by the annexure A by 4 communicated a letter that we are transmitting the successful candidates who have succeeded the.
Then you have to file a reply.
That is the annexure A by 4.
Register of society, cooperative societies to file a reply explaining the reason for sending the intimation for viva voce by a registered post. By registered post.
They have not instructed any registered post, but all the central.
आपन registered post पठाई थिला.
Yes,
speed
post. Instead of my email ID / SMS, which is clearly enunciated in the advertisement. Read a para 15. So, we file the reply. Sir, let him file the reply.
Can they have a glance to the counter?
Yes.
They
He is the necessary party. Let him file the reply. Why are you over enthusiastic, sir? ଟିକେ ରହି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ. As a reply file କର ହବନି.
Why not kindly have a glance to order number 4?
Let me pass the order there. Let me pass the order.
They have taken, the government has taken several times since 17.
I am telling him to file it. Have patience, sir. Don't be over enthusiastic. That kills your good case.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Let him file the reply. If I'm not satisfied with the reply, then I'll pass it on.
My lords, posted to which date?
Posted to September.
My lords.
Next. Okay.
Pardon that item 25, you know, passed to court files to paginated properly court files I will get it paginated, madam. Let's keep it tomorrow, day after, madam.
25 जोड़ा 500 करते ला.
Yes, tomorrow, day after I will.
Password.
Shoot. More private land, my acquired court.
So private lender अपना appeal suit file करो ना दी.
Appeal no sir. More private land.
The private lender appeal किधर लगना ना?
Legally दखल अछि. और private person किछि अछंती.
It is disputed to private parties.
Not private. Government. Open number 6.
Let him do that. 27. 27. Yes, you are mentioning.
66 item.
66.
Yes, my friend is there.
27.
Yes.
The rejoinder counter has been filed by. Received just yesterday. File a rejoinder, short rejoinder.
Okay, 66. 3 weeks time to file the rejoinder. 11th September.
Your Lordship, item number 67, my lord. Your Lordship, I pray for the 10 days time to file my rejoinder.
Third.
Again?
67 though?
Again. He is my counterparty. Your Lordship, I have taken last 10 days.
You are objecting, so I am not passing. Once objecting, I am not passing. आपने कितना लेने time?
Your Lordship, I have taken time last time.
कितना लेने? So no urgent. आपने थान दूसरे.
जेरक्स कॉपी टा तारा उदय गांधी एपटे से कोई ये नहीं तारीख नहीं बोले
डेट देनी
श्रीजु ऊपर टोटल देने श्रीजु तो देखिले आ सेही कॉपीटा जो अछि रिसीव कला परे समान रिसीव कला परे समान
पछपटा वो डॉक्यूमेंट नुए
हां टी सुनतु सेही जो सेटा है तांका पाकर तो से डॉक्यूमेंट रहला सेटा तांकर सील सिग्नेचर जा करबे से तांका पाकर डॉक्यूमेंट हम पाकर कॉपी कोन से दैछन श्रीजु पाकर तो तार ओरिजिनल धरछि मु ठाणी
कोन कथा
आ पछर से जेमि सील मारछन से
निजे दस्तखत कर निजे बा
बुझुनांती एई जो सिग्नेचर हम कोन से दैछन ना कोन करछन ना कोन डेटा ऊपर श्रीजु देखिले
व्हाट इज योर ग्रीवेंस? Tell me what is your grievance?
My grievance is that without giving the residential house a piece of land or a building as per the law, my lord, as per the my lord.
वो law रे लखा जो देवे बोली.
It is the my lord kindly see page देची कटक municipality से देचंदी उषा survey they have
क्वेश्चन कोटे ये देछन कटक म्युनिसिपलिटी से एमान दियंतु
सेटा ऑल ओडिसा पे तो रही
कटक म्युनिसिपालिटी सुन you are
scheduled caste landless person having no residential house, so he has prayed
आपण कोडी भी आपण जागा नै जिबे तापर कहबे हमको दे दिया
ना सेटा more than 60 years ताकू गोटे जागा दियैतला सेते श्रीजन मु देखु ता बापा को पैसा दियैतला 5000 जे तुमे सेठी घर करियो गवर्नमेंट देछि that is my data annexure. at NS
ଧରିଦେବେ ନା
page 10
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ତ ସବୁ କରିବେ ନେତା
page 10 में काढली सी 10 page 10 इंदिरा आवास गृह ମୋ
ନୋଟିସ୍ ଟା
କୁଡାରେ
କେବେ ହେଇଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଟା କେବେ ହେଇଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ତେଣୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସବୁ
ନୋଟିସ୍ ଟା କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା?
ଏଇଟା କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା 12/5/24 ରିସିଭ କରିଛି
12/5/12
12/5/12
12/5/12
12 ନୋଟିସ୍
ସେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ
ଅଛନ୍ତି
ଆଉ 12 ଯଦି ହେଇଛି ତାହେଲେ ଏବେ ସାର୍ ଭାଇয়া କାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଶ୍ରୀଜର ମତେ ଖାଲି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଯେ
ଆରେ
12/5/12
ଆପଣ
after
ସେତେ
10
ଦିନ
years
କିଛି କଲେନି ତ ଆପଣ ଆଗଣ ଜଗିଥିବେ
ନା
you have got a premium
see you can't dictate the authority କେବେ ଆପଣ you should
ନା
be
ମୁଁ ସେ କଥା
happy
କହୁନି
you should be happy that they have allowed you to continue for such a long time even after the 12
lapse of 10 years
no cause of action
so
12 years
12 years you should be happy 12 years they still waited for 12 years you should be thankful to the officer.
authority ଜଗେଇବାକୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି
Instead of complaining you should be thankful to the officer because for 12 years he has not done anything
ଶୋଇପଡିଛି ବିଚାରା ଅଥରିଟି ତାକୁ ଆସିକି ହାତ ମାରିକି ତୁ କାହିଁ ଉଠିଲୁନି ତୁ ଦେଇଥିଲୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ମତେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେ କଥା ନୁହେଁ
ଆଉ କଣ
ଆଉ ଘର ଭାଙ୍ଗିବା ପାଇଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି 24 ମସିହାରେ
କେତେବେଳେ କଣ ନୋଟିସ୍ କାହିଁ
ଶ୍ରୀଜର
ଆପଣ you have only one plot you have only one plot
one ମିଳିଲା
this one
yes
no other plot is there
ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ମୋ ପାଖରେ କେହି ଆସନ୍ତି ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ଆସିଛି ଏବଂ ମୁଁ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ନଟ୍ ଫିଜିକାଲି ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ verified that area ମୁଁ I have given the photograph
affidavit
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ affidavit ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ
ଶ୍ରୀଜର ଫଟୋ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଫଟୋ କଣ କରିବେ ସେ ଫଟୋ କାହାର ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି କିଏ I don't want to go into the photo do one thing let him file an affidavit stating that you have no other land except this land
he is working as a home guard
home guard ठीक है home guard but question is you should give an affidavit stating that you don't have any other land except this land
petition लिखिछु
petition लिखले
specific affidavit
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ affidavit କରିଦିଅ
publish
affidavit କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ
publish
so if you have no other land only this land the authority will just proceed in accordance with the law जोटा law रे जहाँ मिले जोटा हबो अपन पाइबे just whatever if the law provides that you should get if law doesn't provide you should not get or maybe they may be having some scheme like कालिया वालिया जो कौन अछि ଏବେ ତା ନା ଏବେ କଣ ବଦଳିଛି ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବିନି ସବୁ so ଏବେ କଣ some change has taken I don't know whatever policy whatever as per the policy of the government let it continue I mean you can apply for that they will give you that means see unauthorized occupants should not be rewarded that is my belief
but
they should be thrown out strictly but by following procedural law
by landless person मिलेगा
landless person कोर्ट को आले समझते देला पांचटा मैं डेली सुनुची सर एटा फर्स्ट टाइम सुनुनी आउ 10टा लैंड थिबो एक्टिंग करते लैंडलेस पर्सन जदि सेमतिया दिबो अथॉरिटी पाइला आपण लैंड अछि कोठी काहे कि आपण एलाउ करिवो सो सीधा एविट करिवो
that is the law
that is the law if you don't have any other land then authority will consider providing under any other scheme जोटा थिबो they will advise you apply under the scheme बाकी पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी पब्लिक लैंड एंटी
60 वर्ष ता बापा
से प्राइम लैंड
60 वर्ष हो कि 70 वर्ष एडा सब रहला पर समझे 60 वर्ष कहंतु गवर्नमेंट रे तो निजर किछि नै आपण गवर्नमेंट रेकॉर्ड लेखि रखि 60 वर्ष आपण अछंती बोली आपण 10 वर्ष गेले म 50 वर्ष रहि छि बोली कहबे इज देयर any apparatus to measure that you have been staying there for such a long time then no nothing is there you can say we'll believe and I don't believe of course 60 कह देला आपण 60 कह देला म बिलीव करी माने नहीं very often this is totally understated
नहीं 2009
sorry overstated
2009 वर्ष तक घर दिया गया था
understated regarding the status of the person very poor ये नहीं वो नहीं overstated regarding the staying of the land that is happening in every case तो आपण ଗୋଟେ affidavit फाइल करंतु जे you don't have any other land except this affidavit पूरा फाइल करिवि फाइल करन authority को दियंतु and authority will consider and consider the allotment of land under any scheme that is available for the landless people, and they will decide the matter. Huh? So I'm disposing it off.
My lord.
I'm disposing it off. Why should
Oh,
it be kept pending? Okay, the
ଭଲ
petitioner to file an affidavit stating that he doesn't possess any except the land in question. And this said affidavit shall be submitted before the Tahsildar Bhadrak, Tahsildar Bhadrak, within 1 month from today. Hala? And the learned Tahsildar shall look into the matter and accordingly take necessary action to for settlement of the land in his favor or allotment of any such land under any scheme available under the government.
Yes.
Or however, if he finds that the petitioner has any other land under his or her,
No,
his under his position, the Tahsildar is free to take a legal action in accordance with law. Okay?
My lord,
Personal appearance of the Tahsildar, his Tahsildar.
yes, he is there. Huh? He is selling the land is already been alienated to the health department.
Okay. Already
Seriously, କୋଉ କଥା ବୁଝୁନା ବୁଝୁନ ଯଦି ସେ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ସେଇଠୁ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଦେବେ ଆପଣ ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ ଟେକ୍
ଆପଣ ଡିସିସନ ନେବେ ଆଉ କଣ?
ହଁ ସେଇ କଥା କହୁଛି ସିରିୟସଲି ସେଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି
At this juncture, the Tahsildar who is presently preparing the court, for this court, submit that the land has already been alienated to the Department of Health. Yes, sir. In if the said land is alienated and then the petitioner is the Tahsildar steps to find out some alternative land under any scheme available under the government, so that the present petitioner can be shifted to the petitioner can approach under the scheme and the procedure take appropriate steps to that scheme. If it is available, I can't force him because it's
ସେଇଆ ତ କଲେ ଆପଣ
ବହୁତ ଜାଗା ସେଠି ଅଛି
sir ଜାଗା ଥିଲେ ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବେ କି
ନା
ଆମେ ଜାଗା ଅଛି ବୋଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବେ ମାନେ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କିମ ରେ କୋଉଟା ଆପଣ ଯେହେତୁ
ସେଇଟା
SC ST
ସିଡ୍ୟୁଲ୍ କାଷ୍ଟ
ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ଯଦି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଯେହେତୁ ଅଛି ଏଟା ସ୍କିମ ଗୁଡା ଥାଏ ସେ ଯୋଉ ସ୍କିମ ରେ ଥିବ ଯୋଉଟା ରିଲ୍ ଟ୍ରାଏ ଟୁ ହେଲ୍ପ ୟୁ ଦେଖିବେ ଯୋଉ ସ୍କିମ ରେ ଥିବ
another income criteria is there. So ତାର annual income କମ ହେଇଥିଲେ ବି ଆମେ ଦେଇପାରିବୁ ଯାଇକି ବସୁନ୍ଧରା ସ୍କିମ ରେ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଦିଆ ହଉଛି ସାର୍ land
in accordance with any scheme available under the government
in accordance with the law
and following
procedural law.
Of course that is there always
dispose of
Till then ମାନେ not to taken course action
there's nothing ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ there's nothing କାଲି କହିଲେ ଆପଣ ସ୍କିମ ରେ ହେଲାନି
directed the Tahsildar he will take the action in accordance ନେବେ ଲୋନ ସାର୍ ଯାହା ତମେ ବାହାର କରିବେ କିନ୍ତୁ କଥା ହଉଛି ଯଦି
ଏଟା ବି ଲେଖିଛି ନା
application ପ୍ରଥମେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ
କଣ ସ୍କିମ ଟିକେ ବୁଝେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ
ସେ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଦେଲେ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ କନସିଡର କରିକି ଯଦି ସେ ଏଲିଜିବଲ ହେବେ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦବୁ ନହେଲେ
ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିବୁ
ନହେଲେ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କଲେ ଆପଣ ଅଲଗା ଜାଗା ଖୋଜିବେ ଆଉ କଣ ଏଇଟା ଅଲଗା ଜାଗା ଖୋଜିବେ ଆଉ ସେମିତି କିଛି କରିବନି। Okay, anyway, I am granting you 1 month time. 1 month time ଭିତରେ ଯାହା ସେ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଫିମ୍ ଯୋଉଟା ଥିବ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। Otherwise you have to he has to vacate. କୋଉ ଅଲଗା ରାସ୍ତା ନାହିଁ ଆଉ। ଆପଣ କହିଦେବେ ସବୁ ଦେଲେ ହବନି। 6 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ 60 କହିବେ ଆମେ ମନା କରିବୁ।
ନା 2010 ମସିହା
ହଁ
ଏଇଟା 2010 ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ
affidavit against affidavit.
ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
One is
ହେଲା
false.
ହଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
not to take in
not before this court
ହଁ ମୁଁ not to take in court
till your case is decided by the tahsildar this way that way jaha bhi karibe
oblige
no corrective action hala
oblige
next
ମୁଁ ଦୁଇଟା chocolate
Item
ଖାଇସାରିଛି।
63.
63
Personal appearance dispensed.
oh next 63
Your lordship, petitioner before your lordship.
what is the matter
This is for regularization of a contractual driver. The brief background of the case is
contractual driver under
under SDA and RTA, your lordship, State Transport Authority and Regional Transport Authorities. The brief background of the case is that your lordship on 25th April 2008, Deputy Secretary to Government directed
you are father
I am for the petitioner, your lordship. Karodpati Saraf in WPC number 2157.
You are the driver.
2020. Yes, your lord.
and you are father
Other connected matters are there.
matters
For
are
that,
there.
how many people are there here in the
10
petition?
people are domain place.
How many people are there
10 people.
10 all are driver
All are 14 are actually appointed, my lord, means same year, my lord. 4 they are regular. These 10 were left, my lord. And initially I filed the case and subsequently it is transferred to my friend.
most of the offices they have actually resorted to that outsourcing vehicle if there is outsourcing vehicle requirement of driver
My
that's
lord,
what
we are against.
in many cases what happened let me tell you one thing another day in a department driver is there vehicle
No vehicle.
he is being given he is given the post of peon and he is giving tea he is giving tea and all that he is giving he is a driver but when vehicle is not there what to do ଯେହେତୁ ସେ ରେଗୁଲାର ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟ କିଛି କରିପାରିବେନି ତାକୁ ତ ରଖିବେ ଆପଣ କେସ୍ we are not regular so they
No, we are appointed against a sanction post.
he might be sir but the
My lord, after rendering so much of my lord.
so ଆପଣ ରେଣ୍ଡର କରିଦେଲେ ଆପଣ କନଫର୍ମ କରିଦେଲେ ମାନେ ଅଛି
We are regularly selected.
so
And that is our case were recommended for regularization. 4 persons were regularized.
No.
But, and
come to the advertisement let's go to the advertisement advertisement ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ page advertisement ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି advertisement ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ advertisement ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
third case you also may tell you the third case.
okay third case page କେତେ number କୁହନ୍ତୁ okay ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ yes where is the sorry where is the advertisement
Advertisement, my lord. Annex 4, my lord, you will also may file the
this is not advertisement
No, it is a Commerce Transport Department appeared and directed to Transport Commissioners for appointment. Driver.
sir contractual appointment sir
Yes.
contractual appointment
That is of the 2008. man. And 14 numbers are drivers, finance department, so and so.
ତାପରେ then
Then, my lord, Annexure 5. But it, my lord, these are the posts of different active offices. But it, my lord.
yes ତାପରେ
Then, my lord, on page, Annexure 6, page 20.
page 69 yes
1 and 2, my lord. One is the present petitioner, another is another petitioner. my lord.
read that what is written
In pursuance of order number so dated 11/6/2009 of the Transport Commission of Orissa, following
the following daily wages driver of this office is a contractual driver to drive this. Again, they are contractual.
Daily wage, then my lord, contractual dispute. Then my lord, that is 17 September 2013, that is the contractual rule, my lord. For regular appointment of existing contractual group C, group D employees who are not holding any post in contravention of any statutory requirement.
So they are covered under the 2013 notification?
No.
Why?
But they are not covered.
Why?
You can see annexure.
Just a minute, sir, why? I'm asking why.
But they are.
So
not-
they are contractual and
Yes.
2013 notification says the contractual person who have completed 6 years of their contractual service, they may be regularized. That is what your circular say. I'm not saying. So if your circular is saying that, okay, these people should be regularized because they have completed more than 6 years at that time. But okay, so how can these people?
That resolution is not applicable in. Case
Why?
of-
I'm asking
In view
why.
of the subsequent clarification made by the G department.
What is that?
But I have annexed that.
So କାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଏଟା କାଇଁ ଛାଡୁଛ notify କାଇଁ କରୁଥିଲ ତାହେଲେ ଏଟା subsequent qualification
No,
କରୁଥିଲ?
but their appointment, in terms of annexure 2, lordship kindly check.
Sir, annexer में କହିବେନି ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ annexer word, I hate that word annexer.
It is a specific
No, you have to tell me why.
Lord-
You have to tell me why.
Lordship
Why
kindly-
annexer?
But lordship kindly see the appointment letter.
ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ 13 ରେ ମାନେ କାଇଁ କଭର ହେବେନି ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣ ତେବେ କାଇଁ କଭର ହେବେନି ଆଉ annexer କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବସିକି ଯୋଉ ଛାଡ
Clarification, lordship kindly.
କଣ what is that clarification? Tell me the clarification.
That is annexure C/3 at page 49.
Clarification କଣଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ନା?
Clarification
Yeah, just
appointment-
that's see ଏଇ ଲୋକ ଯଦି 13 notification ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସରକାର କଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସରକାର କଲା କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଚୁଆଲ ଲୋକକୁ 6 year କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କଲା ଦେବ ବୋଲି କିଏ କରିଛି ଆପଣ କଲେ ତ ଏମାନେ କାଇଁ ପାଇବେନି? I am asking the simple question.
There are three things.
What?
Their appointments are not made in.
Why?
Their appointment is illegal. There
Oh,
is
then
no
what action you have taken against the person who has issued the illegal appointment letter to that man?
But that.
What action you have taken?
But that appointment.
If your department has illegally appointed them, what action you have taken?
Their appointment has not been made pursuant to that rules.
Hmm.
Their appointment made prior to that in view of the resolution dated 31/12/2004.
What is the resolution?
But that is annexure 2.
Annexure 2. Sir, to be very frank, your government is creating a lot of confusion. Why are you just see if you are not going to regularize them? Why are you issuing the notification? If you are not going to regularize them, why are you illegally recruiting them?
We are
And
regularized,
see, but
provided they have to engage or appointed pursuant to that rule.
what is the rule?
Not rule 13.
कौन है?
Those who are appointed as per the rule 13, after completion of 6 years. they are
So what is that
subject-
pursuant to rule 13?
Is contractual appointment.
Contractual they are meeting
Their
that requirement.
appointment prior to that.
What prior to
Pursuant
that?
Resolution dated 35.
Resolution 13 ରେ କଣ କହୁଛି? Let's go to that
Annexure
resolution.
2 at page 12.
13 ଟା ଆସନ୍ତୁ 13 କୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ.
Is that could be one.
Let's see 13 କଣ କହୁଛି?
ସେ କହୁଛି your lordship, the
Existing controller.
Group C and D both ଏମାନେ ତ D ରେ ଆସିବେ C ରେ ଆସିବେ.
Existing.
ତ existing ତ ଏମାନେ ଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ.
ତାପରେ ସେ କହୁଛି further second paraରେ କହୁଛି contractual appointments stroke engagements made against contractual post of finance department.
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ସେ
now
ଜିନିଷ
now come to next important question. All these posts were created under on the after the concurrence of the finance department.
Yes.
All these posts were there
Yes, your lordship.
created after the
that is 2008
କେବେ
2018 8 ରେ ସେ କରିଛନ୍ତି 25/4/2008 ରେ ସେ କରିଛନ୍ତି.
page 18. Inviting reference to letter so the subject of statement, I am rejected to say that the finance department has concurred.
Concurred the proposal
Finance
for contractual
department भी concur
engagement of
କରିଛି.
14
ଆଉ
number of
କେମିତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି
drivers guided by
ଆପଣ
finance department
ଦେଖ,
circular.
the requirement ଯୋଉଟା ହେଲା first ହେଲା finance department concurrence ଅଛି.
Yes,
That
is
means
there.
posts are not, you can't say not sanctioned, it was sanctioned. Number 2, they have completed 6 year continuous service is there. ଆଉ କୋଉଟା ତାହେଲେ ହେଲାନି?
Their appointment has not been made in accordance with rules.
What is the, which rule has been violated? Tell us,
There
sir.
was no advertisement. There is no reservation. But again, outsider CG jahaku selection kala janaku rakhi dabo. Now they have.
ସେଇ ଭିତରୁ ପୁଣି ଆପଣ ତିନିଟାକୁ
That is why I am saying.
No, ସେ ତିନିଟାକୁ କେମିତି ଫିଲ୍ କରିଦେଲେ?
No, appointment letter is there.
Why is that?
Kindly see the annexure 5 at page 70. In the first brief.
Yes.
In which I have filed counter affidavit. In
there.
purpose of order number such and such, the Transport Commissioner Odisha Kotak, Sri Prodapati Sara, hereby engaged as a driver on contractual basis, as per terms and conditions laid down as Finance Department, order number such and such, and communicated by Commerce and Transport Department, letter number such.
ଆଉ କୋଉଟା ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି?
In the first brief,
page
17.
ମୁଁ ଥାର୍ଡ ବ୍ରିଫ୍ ଧରିଛି, ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ବ୍ରିଫ୍ ଦେଇବେ ଏମିତି କେମିତି ହବ? ଗୋଟେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ
I have
ଦେଖେଇଲେ
not filed counter affidavit in the third
ଆରେ
brief.
यार क्या कंफ्यूज कर
Even though.
କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ରିଫ୍ ଦେଖଉଛନ୍ତି, ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ରିଫ୍ କେମିତି ପେଜ ମିଳୁନି ସେଟା? ହଁ ୟେସ୍
But that is also in the.
ପେଜ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆସିଲେଣି ପୁଣି ଆଉ କଣ?
Third be say.
ଥାର୍ଡ ଏବେ ଥାର୍ଡ ମତେ ଡେଉଁଛନ୍ତି ମ ଗୋଟେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସେ ୟେସ୍ Pursuant to order of sponsor, transport, so এই ଲୋକଟା এটা ରୁଲ ମାନିକି କରିଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ଲୋକମାନେ ରୁଲ ମାନା ହେଇନି।
Condition laid down Finance Department. What is that? That is under annexure 2.
They are still working there. They are still working there.
Yes.
Out of, yes, ma'am.
By virtue of this order, there is order of.
Annexure to be how?
Of the third case, madam. In that case, the earlier approved the tribunal. Tribunal allowed the OA. And they are without challenging that matter, they in contempt they rejected. So I challenge this order here in this case. Tribunal allowed the.
What rejected?
They cannot be regularized. Your regularization is rejected.
नहीं ट्राइब्यूनल ने पास द ऑर्डर,
Tribunal allowed the order in the.
कंटेंट फाइल कर लो।
Okay, content failure.
कौन है कंटेंट?
Content show cause the rejected. So during pendency.
कोर्ट कौन कहला? कोर्ट कौन कहले सर?
Dropped since मतलब से तो tribunal abolish कर दिया।
ट्रिब्यूनल কথা ছাড় দে मैटर
No
तो
instruction is that previous advocate knows.
अच्छा भाई
In that counter, my lord, tribunal, they admitted everything.
what they admitted?
My lord,
They said that it was not illegal happen.
no, I have annexed the document, my lord, wherein they say they are regularly selected, or we are duly followed.
Why is that there?
My lord, kindly, my lord, let me see. Fast.
Fast है तो
Fast remove.
2157 57
57.
Yes,
हाँ कौन लिखते कहले?
my lord, pay annexure 7 your lordship, my lord. Case 21.
सर काउंटर देखुଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
ନା ମୁଁ
ଏବେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର କଥା କହିଲେ ପୁଣି ପଳେଇଲେ ଏନେକ୍ସର 7 ପଳେଇଲେ।
କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଯାହା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ରିଟ୍ ସେଇ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛି।
ଏରେ କୋ ମାନେ ଆପଣ ରିଟ୍ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ରିଟ୍
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ରିଟ୍
7
ଯେହେତୁ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେଇଯାଇଛି annex 7 my lord 14% were appointed, 3% were regularized, applying that 17/9/2013 contractual regulation.
everything we have admitted sir.
But by This is a recommendation before the high power committee.
Recommendation बोले आपन department करछि ना
Yes.
under secretary SDA Orissa.
This is a recommendation.
Recommendation करछि man that means you cannot say that these people have not been regularly properly appointed.
But that recommendation has been considered by the high power committee. And our lordship kindly see the finding of high power.
What is the finding?
Right.
And basing on their
That annexure B by 3 at page 44.
B by 3.
Fine.
Yeah.
May I place the entire page, relevant page 45. Consideration of regularization of contractual drivers. This is the decision taken by the government by constituting the high power committee in pursuant to the.
So what is the finding of the
made by
committee? Let's go to finding.
Next paragraph, second paragraph, in the letter number such and such, that letter, SDA have submitted proposal for regularization of 14 drivers, intimating the mandatory provision in pursuant to GA department resolution number such and such have been observed properly, and in contrary to this, in the second proposal by letter number 2012-2017, have submitted proposal of 14 drivers, intimating that none of the mandatory provision has been followed in pursuance to GA department resolution.
So in that 14 numbers,
there are two
just
letters.
in that 14 numbers, how three could be? That's
four has not been regularized. For the first time, SDA placed recommendation in respect of 4. That has also been considered in this meeting.
So those 4 were separately
Rejected.
They are also rejected.
Yes.
So all rejected.
All rejected in this meeting.
And why they are saying that 3 people or 4 people have been regularized?
But their case has been recommended only.
But not regularized.
No.
Pakka.
My
I have shown the annex.
in this decision, oh lordship, thereafter may I place?
Yes.
In the meantime, the TC had regularized 4 number of drivers with effect from 31st/8/2015, citing a letter of Commerce and Transport Department, letter number such and such. The letter speaks that Finance Department have concurred the proposal for contractual engagement of 14 number of drivers as guided by Financial Department Circular number 31/12/2004 without any precondition. There is no instruction of government to regularize these 4 contractual drivers. Accordingly, Transport Commissioner was requested to review the regularization made in respect of 4 number of drivers by DO letter number such and such. But instead of reviewing the same, as per GA Department resolution number such and such, SDA forwarded the proposal for placing the same in the high power committee for regularization of 4 number of drivers along with other 10 drivers. The proposal of SDA shows that none of the mandatory provisions as prescribed.
So you are saying which the 4 people have been regularized according to you?
Lordship,
You are saying their proposal has been rejected.
There are the finding is there.
I've read it.
No. Your Lordship, it is their document only. It has been signed by the Self-Same Transport Commissioner Odisha.
Which document?
That is page 21, Your Lordship. Page 21. This is an office order. August 2015, Your Lordship.
Come to Annex 7, Mr.
Yes, that was there. That was recommended. But that was.
You have
not
regularized. What is the
regularized.
recommendation? You have regularized. See, read it.
Yes.
Read it. Then how come these people to be regular? If you are saying that everything was hunky dory.
On misconception, their service has been irregular. But that has been examined by the HAFA, in that case. In that letter has been referred in that decision. That has been recalled.
The office order
that letter has been recalled. Again.
The reference is there in the
decision place
31st,
Pradesh.
8/2015. Let's see, let's see.
Annexure, but annexure B/3.
B/3. B/3.
With the proceeding of high power committee.
Findings of the committee.
Page 40 is relevant, page 46.
46.
36 কোটি আଜ୍ଞା
Running
14
page 46.
19 କୋଡ଼ିଏ ଯାଏଁ ଅଛି ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ପେଜଟା 20 ଯାଏଁ ଅଛି 20 ଯାଏଁ ଅଛି
Running page.
But that letter, everything is there. Four line will.
Running page 46. The following are mandatory provisions prescribed by GA department. Resolution number 16/1/2004. And the status of the contractual engagement
is revoked. Our position is revoked.
It's same.
the following are
resolution
mandatory
they put
provisions
this, sir.
prescribed in GA resolution
What is that? Decision high power committee.
Committees, the decision is not, they can't go beyond the order of the.
Okay, order is up.
My submission, they can't go beyond.
Give your written note of submission.
I have already submitted your lordship
Okay.
written
Give
note of
your note.
submission as well as citations.
Give a note.
High power committee, my lord, cannot annul the order of.
No, high power committee किसी करने से खाली बस खाली चाय पियंती बस.
সেটা কেতে বর্ষ পর in that same counter it is there your lordship.
Please give your note. I reserve it.
Will be retired, my lord.
Hey, may retire, I don't know. But I have to decide the case or your retirement is 7 GB.
No,
I have to decide the case and wear it.
Otherwise, you will also pay, see, kindly pay up.
They are not going to file separately. They are going to rely on this same thing. Then a counter regenerate କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଲଗେଇବେ?
ମୁଁ ତ ଚାହୁଁଛି ସରକାର ସେମାନେ their malad their low almost all they cross the age limit.
ହସଲାରେ କିଏ କଣ କରିବେ ସାର୍? ଆପଣ ଘରକୁ ଡାକିଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଚାକିରି କଲେ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ପାଇଲେ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କଲେ ଆଉ ଲିମିଟ ଗଲେ ସତେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ତ ପ୍ରମିସ କରିନଥିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ରେଗୁଲାଇଜ କରିବି ବୋଲି।
ସେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଆମକୁ ସେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଦରମା ଦେଇକି ସେ but they are playing man. In fact they are not.
ପୋଷ୍ଟ ନଥିବ ଲୋକ
ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ବା ଏଟା ସାଂସନ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଏଗନେଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ଲର୍ଡସିପ
ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ note ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
I'll file the.
Give the note. Give the note. Give the note, sir.
Third item.
Give the notes in all items.
Third
Same କଥା ଯୋଉ ସବୁ ତ ଗୋଟେ issue ଆଉ third item same issue sir. I don't want to repeat unnecessarily. ସେଇ ଗୋଟେ କଥା.
What I am to submit, my lord, misrepresenting your lord.
They are not misrepresenting.
Yes, my lord.
I have found it they are not misrepresenting. I have to decide whether it is misrepresenting or not.
My lord,
You can't say that.
They file a petition.
Whatever you showed, what I have shown you.
page 16 को ଗୋଟେ minute ପାଇଁ ବୋଲି
Both
embed ballots kind attention
both रे.
first retry and page
Don't have
16
case,
page
I'm
43 ନା ସେଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ your lordship ସେଥିରେ ସେ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି it is reported that due to shortage of regular driver
ठीक ଅଛି sir regular
the office vehicles are standing idle it means there is many of post
ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି shortage of regular ସେତେବେଳେ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ କେତେ ଜମାନାରେ
ନାଇଁ ସେ 2009 ରେ ସେ ଜିନିଷ
you give your written note of submission and all the matter.
Yes.
For one charge, my lord, let them file an affidavit.
next
Why should they file affidavit?
My lord, you are not direct.
No, I am not directing.
All functions are not confirming.
I am not directing.
They are continuing but not regular.
Not in existence.
Not in existence କଥା ଅଲଗା
ସେମାନେ ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି continue
ଆପଣ ରେଗୁଲାରାଇଜ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା କଣ
ସେଇଟା ସେନ୍ସ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୋତେ କାରଣ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସୁଦ୍ଧା we are not clear.
ଆପଣ ପରପର ସବୁଥର ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ନୂଆ କଥା ୟୁଜ କରି ସବୁଥର
ସିଏ ଯୋଉ 8 ଜଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତା ଦେହରୁ 2-3 ଜଣ ଲେଖିକି ଦେଲେଣି ଆମେ ଆଉ ଚାକିରି କରିବୁ
ସେ 3 ଜଣ
ସେଇଟା
କରିବେନି ତାଙ୍କୁ କାଢି ଦିଅ ନା ଆଜ୍ଞା ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି
ପୋଷ୍ଟ କୁ ଅଛି ସେମାନେ ଦେବାରେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ନୁହେଁ ତ ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଲିଗାଲି ଯୋଉଟା ଆସିଥିବ ସେଇଟା ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁନାଲ ଯାହା କରୁଛୁ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁନାଲ ତ ସବୁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁନାଲ କୁ ଉଠାଗଲା ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କଲେ ଉଠାଗଲା
In their counter, they admitted that they were appointed by due process of observing all law, my lord. Now they are at the fag end of their service.
ଫ୍ୟାଗ ଏଣ୍ଡ ମାନେ କି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଥୋଡି ମନା କରିଥିଲା କି ଆପଣ
ତାଙ୍କୁ
ଚାକିରି କଲେ ଦରମା ପାଇଲେ ଆଉ କି ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ ଥୋଡି କରୁଛି ଆପଣ ଘରକୁ ଡାକିକି ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଜଏନ କଲେ ପଇସା ପାଇଲେ ଗଲେ ଖତମ କିଛି ଏତେ ଦିନ କାମ କଲେ ଖୁସି ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ
No, still there is meaning of post, your lordship.
ଲାଇଭଲିହୁଡ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଯେ ଲାଇଭଲିହୁଡ ରୁଲ ରେଗୁଲେସନ ମାଗିବେ ନା ଲାଇଭଲିହୁଡ ବୋଲିକିରି ଲାଇଭଲିହୁଡ ବୋଲିକି ଆଉ ରୁଲ ରେଗୁଲେସନ
ସେମାନେ ଆମକୁ appointment ଦେବେ
ଦେଲେ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନଥିଲେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଆପଣ ଜଏନ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ୱେଜ ରେ
appointment ରେ undertaking ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି not to claim regularity.
ଆପଣ ଅଣ୍ଡରଟେକିଂ ବି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ନା ନା କାହିଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖେଇଲେ ମୋ କେସରେ ଅଣ୍ଡରଟେକିଂ ଟା
କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ଯାହା କରୁଛନ୍ତି କରନ୍ତୁ ରିଟର୍ନ ନୋଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉଟା କରିବେ କୋଉଟା କରିବେ କହନ୍ତୁ
already submitted.
I'll file the written note.
ଆପଣ କାଉଣ୍ଟର କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ସମାନ ରିପିଟେସନ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ
ମୋର ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ କେସ୍
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ରିଟର୍ନ ନୋଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ରଖୁଛି କ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଦିଅ କିଛି ନାହିଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି ଚେଞ୍ଜିଂ ଡେଡ୍ ହର୍ସ 10th ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର
Published.
ନେକ୍ସଟ
ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମଡଟା
ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମଡେଲ ଟୁ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବ ତାହେଲେ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଦିଅ 29th ଖତମ କରିବା ତ ଆଉ ରଖିବିନି ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ 2nd ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ତ ରାଜି ହଉଛି ଫାଇଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କଣ ଆପଣ ତ ମେନ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଫାଇଲ they are ready to of course they will pay give you copy ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ sir
In the first case, we have already filed and served the copy also.
and give you the note all of it I'll close it on that next
Item 64.
64
may I please your lordship. The case my lord is a retired government employee. Just 2 months before his retirement, a proceeding was initiated against him, and I have challenged that proceeding on the ground of delayed initiation, my lord. On the ground of delayed initiation of proceeding.
retired pala kare
Retired just 2 months purvuru, they initiated the proceeding that allegation is pertaining to 17 years back, my lords. 2003 to 2006, he was working as assistant working plan officer in Keonjhar, and the period of incumbency and the allegation that, my lords, they initiated the proceeding in 2020, my lords. I retired from government service in April 2020.
କୋଉ ପାଠରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କଲେ କରିପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ
they can initiate the proceeding.
ସିଧା କାମ କରିକି ଏଇଥିବେ
My respectable submission, lords, is that it's a delayed initiation of proceeding. 17 years, my lords.
17 years
17 years.
Yes,
sir. Lordship may see. Answer 1, my lords. The charges he received, that is endorsement, my lords, on 10/2/2020. It was served upon me. Answer 1, page 13, my lords.
Who date 20 repairing?
10 to
retired କେବେ ଗଲେ?
Retired 30th of April.
Finance service ନା forest service?
Forest.
Forest?
Yes.
forest service ତ ହବ retirement ଗୋଟେ ପଛେ ଯିବ
April 2020
department will change you ସବୁ ତ ଜଙ୍ଗଲର ଯାହା ଅବସ୍ଥା ତମେ ଦେଖି
there is no such allegation, my lords. There is no gravity in the allegation. That April 2020 he retired.
forest department କହି ଦଉଛି afforestation department ସବୁଠୁ most corrupt department ବୁଝିଲେ 10 ଗଛ ଲଗେଇଥିବେ ଗୋଟେ ଗଛ ଲଗେଇଥିବେ 10ଟା ଗଛ ଲଗେଇଲେ ବୋଲି ପଇସା ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତି ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଯୋଉ ଦେଶୀ ଭେରାଇଟି ଅଛି ଏତି ଆମ୍ବ ଲିମ୍ବ ଦେଶୀ ଭେରାଇଟି ଟିକେ କଷ୍ଟରେ ବଞ୍ଚେ ତେଣୁ ସେଗୁଡା ନ ଲଗେଇ ସେମାନେ ଇକାଲିପଟାସ ଲଗେଇଦେବେ ଗଛ ଲଗେଇଦେଲେ ସବୁ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକାଲ ଭେରାଇଟି ଛାଡିକି ସବୁ ବାହାରିଆ ଭେରାଇଟି ଲଗେଇବେ ଆଉ ସେଗୁଡା ଜଲ୍ଦି ବଢିଯିବ ଏଟା ହଉଛି ଫରେଷ୍ଟେସନ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟର କାମ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ସେଥିରେ ଥିଲେ ବୋଲେ ଥିବ ଆଉ ଡିଫରେଷ୍ଟେସନ ତ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ କୋଉ ରେଟରେ ବଢୁଛି ସେଇଟା ପଛେ ପଛେ ଦୌଡେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ
ନାଇଁ ଆଫରେଷ୍ଟେସନ ନାହିଁ
ଆଉ ଛାଡ ମୁଁ ମାନେ କହିଦେଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
April 2020 retired.
I have some knowledge about
your lordship, to some extent, your lordship. April 2020 retired.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଚାର୍ଜ କେବେ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ଟା
ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ମତେ ସର୍ଭ କଲେ ପରା page 13 10/2/2020
ଯଦି ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମଟେ କରିଥିବେ ହଠାତ୍ ସେଟା କୋଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଡିଟରେ କି କୋଉଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ବାହାରିଲା ଜଣା ପଡିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରୁଲ ସେଠି ଅଛି କଣ କରିବେ?
Then that they have clarified in the counter itself mailers. I will place mailers para 4 of the counter
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
affidavit.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସପୋଜ
Yeah.
କଣ ହେଇଛି ବଡ ଘୋଟାଲା
Yeah.
ହେଇଛି
That-
ସେଇଥିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରୁଲ ଟା ଅଛି କୋଉଠି ବାହାରେ?
କିଛି ନାହିଁ
That's-
ସେମିତି. There-
ଶୁଣ,
yes,
ଗୋଟେ
yes,
example.
your lordship is
I'm
correct.
giving an example. Your role was there, some other people might be there, your role also, somehow you are connected. In the meantime, you have retired. So should you be get exemption
But this is not the
just
case.
because you have retired? I can understand retirement କରିକିରି ଆପଣ 5 ବର୍ଷ 6 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ହେଲେ you have a case. But just retired କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ, retired କରିବା କେତେ ମାସ?
Retired କରିବା 2 ମାସ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମତେ serve କଲେ.
ବାସ୍
2 months before.
ତ
But
କରିପାରିବେ?
what are the allegations? Your lordship may
Now
see.
the question is, what is the
That-
legal question you are raising?
Yes.
What is the legal question?
Legal question is mailers. This is a delayed initiation of proceeding.
Delayed କାହିଁକି?
Delayed in the sense mailers, the allegation they have made in the charges mailers, that was very much within their knowledge, and the your lordship may
ଆପଣ
see
knowledge ବୋଲି କେମିତି presume କଲେ ଆପଣ?
no, para 4 of the counter, your lordship may see, para 4 of the counter affidavit. Para 4 of the counter affidavit, your lordship may see. In paragraph 4 of the counter affidavit, your lordship may see, in reply to the affirmations made in paragraph 1 of the writ petition, it is humbly submitted that petitioner joined service on 2/3/1988 as SCF in class 2. While the petitioner was working as deputy coordinator, officer, project director, work food program, Odisha, a draft charge was submitted by the WPO, working plan officer, Keonjhar, to conservator of forest Raulkela via their memo number 2007 mailers. Draft charge was submitted 2007, and CF Raulkela to
So
the
what is wrong in this? I don't
Yes, ma'am,
know what's wrong.
Lordship, I am permitted to read mailor. And 2007, the draft charge was submitted, and the conservator of forest Raulkela forwarded it to the PCCF in the same year 2007, and no proceeding was initiated. I continued to discharge my duties. 2015, I got promotion. They gave me promotion to the
There
rank.
is a saying na, skeleton in the cupboard. It was a skeleton in the cupboard. କଣ କରିଥିବେ ଆଗରେ ସବୁ ବାହାରି କାଲା
There
ଚିଠା
is no,
ବାହାରିଲା।
your lordship may see this, your lordship
There
will go
is some
to,
skeleton in the cupboard.
if your lordship will
Item number 64, if we are there as opposite parties, the file.
Forest department, এটা
Forest.
forest department না, government.
government.
Yeah.
If not,
Counter file ହେଇଛି କାଲି
Yes.
କାଲି ଆଡକୁ ଆଉ
Counter
ଫାଇଲଟା ନାହିଁ।
resign.
ସୋମବାର
Counter
one
resign,
thing.
I have also.
do one thing. Give a written note of submission and you are also, you come with
Yes.
it.
I have also filed the citations mailers. Only one citation I will submit your lordship. One more citation.
Citation କଣ?
Citation I have already given mailers. So that is citation banishing.
Jivarati.
Banish. Yes, yes.
That Jivarati.
No, no, no. State of Madhya Pradesh versus banishing in 90 Supreme Court, and State of Punjab versus Chamanlal 1995. N
Paragraph ଟା
Radhakrishnan
ପଢନ୍ତୁ।
mailer.
ସେଇଥିରେ ସେ Jivarati, just Jivarati paragraph ପଢନ୍ତୁ।
Banishing paragraph. Your lordship may see. Here mailers. Para.
On the relevant paragraph.
Yes, the appeal against the order dated 16/12/87 has been filed on the ground that the tribunal should not have quashed the proceeding merely on the ground of delay and laches, and should have allowed the inquiry to go on to decide the matter on merits. We are unable to agree with this contention of the Land Council. The irregularities which are subject matter of inquiry is said to have taken place between the year 1975-77. It is not the case of the department that they were not aware of the said irregularities, if any, and came to know it only in 1987. According to them, even in April 1977, there was doubt.
ପରେ ଆଉ 10ଟା ଦିନ ବାହାରିଲାଣି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜୀବନ ରେଡି ଜମାନାରେ ଅଛି।
No, no,
ଆଉ ତା latest ଟା ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
Latest mailers.
ୟାର contrary view 10ଟା ବାହାରିଲାଣି ତାପରେ।
No, only they have to mailers.
Just because knowledge ଥିଲା ବୋଲି judge କେମିତି ଜାଣିଗଲା? knowledge ଥିଲା ବୋଲିକିରି।
ସେମାନେ ନିଜେ counter କହୁଛନ୍ତି, in the counter itself, paragraph 4.
ବେଳେ ବେଳେ କଣ ହୁଏ, knowledge ନଥାଏ ବି। ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଗୋଟେ କରିଥିବେ କାଣ୍ଡଟେ, ସେ କାଣ୍ଡ ଜଣା ପଡିନଥିବ, ହଠାତ୍ ଆଉ କୋଉ ଗୋଟେ କାଣ୍ଡ ବାହାର କଲା ବେଳକୁ ଖୋଲା ବେଳେ ଆପଣ
Recently passed the order.
I have recently passed an order in a bank case.
But here,
bank case ରେ ପଇସା ଘୋଟାଲା କରିଥିଲା, ଜଣା ପଡିଲା ପୁରା end
ଜଣା ପଡିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ସେମାନେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ।
I have passed order, the authority is right in dismissing the person, in taking action against the person.
Your lordship is correct. But here mailers, in this case, in 2007 mailers, draft charges were submitted. They remained completely silent till 2020 mailers. 2007 to 2020, they
I'll see that.
Yes.
Sabu the
Yes,
judge
madam.
order.
My small brother will file it, but he was alerted.
Okay, you give the written order of submission.
Yes.
दियो, Next.
Item 65.
केबे लगे जा केबे लगे 28 28 है ला 28 next only for the general submission. Yes.
Item 65, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Bhuban Mohan Bhuiya, my lord. The petitioner has been terminated from his service, my lord.
Why?
While annexation, my lord, no opportunity was given. Your lordship has already quashed the similar termination order, my lord. That is Acharya Harihar.
Oh.
My lord, the orders I am.
I have not stated that you give them regularize. I have never said that.
No, my lord.
In no case I have stated.
Your lordship is directed to re-examine, my lord. Revoke the termination order.
Similar order कर दी, है ना? एटा दियंतु, अच्छा एटा ना?
Same order. Same order, my lord. WPC 33196 of
They are in the
2020.
same position.
Yes, my lord. Same termination order also same.
Okay, ठीक है. कितना की? गोटे नंबर.
The total tinta item 65, my lord.
सब आचार्य हरियर.
My lord.
ठीक है. Next.
Item 67.
67. 67. What will it? Our party. What will it?
For the opposite party. For the opposite party.
You are the opposite party. I know that. So say, madam, what will it? Aure madam chale na? Time magu madam what will it? Madam, time magu madam na di. It's all time magandi. There are only one thing. That's it. Give me some 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time. What will it?
They are taking time for agenda. This is a small matter. Lordship may dispose of. If
I am disposing it of. कौन दू? I will dispose of करी. आवे सोनी भी निकाल. सुनो, अब कौन दू?
you see fire loss is on 21st 22 to
आइले जाओ. आसन आपको आसन. आपण ये मैटर मैडम. सार कहीं. तो सार पड़े लेनी. मैं आले देखो नहीं हो. Yes, now argue.
Before lunch, my
yes.
dear has
She was asking for
some
time. I
to
said
file
no time.
rejoinder.
अब कितने थोड़ा टाइम नहीं रिजनर पैसा? Already दूसरे दिन नहीं सर.
Dithon नहीं
आप फिर दूसरे आओ कितने रिजनर?
Last chance
मैं आओ last chance देवी नहीं. Argue करो तो no rejoinder will be given. You're filing a rejoinder. That the chance is forfeited now. Already you have taken 2 times. Rejoinder ऐसे भी जा रहा में से. ये केस में कौन rejoinder filing करेगा? Argue करो तो.
Your Lords, this petition has been filed challenging the award passed by the landless ombudsman, my lords. Ombudsman. Your Lords, may kindly have a glance to the award running page 22, my lords.
22.
My
okay.
Award taking into account the facts and circumstances of the case and submission made by both the parties. During hearing, it is observed that the surveyor has taken the bank transaction only as the basis for his loss assessment. It is a fact that all records and stocks got burned. As a result, it is difficult to correctly assess the loss. But it is also a fact that the shop owners made some transaction directly without involving the banks and therefore not reflected in the bank transaction. Seeing the size of the shop and the circumstances vis-a-vis the assessment made by the surveyor, the forum feels that the loss would be more than the assessment, but in absence of any concrete evidence, the forum feels the loss could be reasonably around 15 lakhs.
ठीक है जी ऑर्डर बोल के जी मोते तक जी बोल लागू नहीं ऑर्डर.
Here, my lords, after this.
सार गोटे को तो सुन. गोटे शॉप सब तो ट्रांजैक्शन बैंक रे करियो ले माने के कोई इंसिडेंट रा
2021 man.
2021. बैंक गुड़े की शॉप ला?
এটা ইলেকট্রিক্যাল হোলসেল.
इलेक्ट्रिकल बहुत नॉट नेसेसरी सब ट्रांजैक्शन से बैंक रे करथबो.
मतलब
बहुत गुड़ा कैश ट्रांजैक्शन भी हुए गांव को गांव रे.
केंद्रापड़ा.
केंद्रापड़ा छोटा सिटी. हाँ छोटा टाउन गुड़ा रे मैक्सिमम कैश ट्रांजैक्शन बहुत हुए. ସମସ୍ତେ ଆସିକି ତ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପେ କଣ ରୁପେ ମୁପେ କଣ ଅଛି ଆଜିକାଲି ଯୋଉ ବାହାରିଛି ଏଇଟା ଇଏ କରିବେନି ଆଉ କି କାର୍ଡ ୟୁଜ କରିବେନି ବହୁତ ଲୋକ କ୍ୟାଶ ଦେଇକି ନେବେ
No,
ତ
here,
ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନାଇଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ ରେ ଏତେ ନାହିଁ ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ଦେଲୁନି
no,
ଏଇଟା
no,
କି କଥା?
here, my lords, the fact is, after receipt of the
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
claim
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
intimation,
ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକର ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ ଦିନକୁ କେତେ ହଉଛି କେଡେ ବଡ ସପ୍ ଥିଲା କେତେ ଷ୍ଟକ୍ ଥିଲା ଏସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ଆଭରେଜ କ୍ୟାଲକୁଲେସନ କରିକି ଗୋଟେ ଦିଆଯାଏ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାର ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଥିଲା କଭର କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା
assured amount was
30 lakhs thila, but we
30
have
lakhs,
deputed
ପନ୍ଦର
one
ଲକ୍ଷ।
chartered accountant, my lords.
ତ
We have deputed one chartered accountant.
ଚାର୍ଟାର୍ଡ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ତ ଡେପୁଟେଡ୍ ଲୋକ ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା ମାନିବ ଆଉ କଣ
No, no, କଥା
ହଁ
say independent bodies.
ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ବଡି ଚାର୍ଟାର୍ଡ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ କେତେଟା ଜେଲରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଥାନ୍ତି ଜେଲରେ ଥାନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ ଚାର୍ଟାର୍ଡ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଜେଲରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ବଡି କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ସେ independent surveyor ସେ ତାଙ୍କ report ଦେଲେ 8,24,000. We offered that amount. ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛୁ ଅଫର ଦେଇଛୁ ତମେ ଆସିକି
I am
ସେଇଟା
not going to change this. What is perfect? Ombudsman has not committed anything wrong.
challenging this award, my lords, the opposite party has already preferred one consumer case.
कौन? Our consumer case भी करते हैं?
Yes, before the DCDRF Kendrapada, that is pending.
But we permitted to submit. But assured amount was 30 lakh and
अरे मैडम सुनंतु मो कथा आपण कंज्यूमर पुनी कोन पे फाइल कले पीएलए भी कर देबे कंज्यूमर भी कर देबे सबड़ कर देबे
एठी मु करिनी एठी से माने करिसंती चैलेंजिंग द सेम अवार्ड
अच्छा अच्छा नहीं नहीं एठी कले
I did only the my
सेपटे आपण पीएलए कले आपण करथिले ना पीएलए पीएलए कले
Ombudsman is he has approved.
सुनंतु पीएलए कले पुनी कंज्यूमर कोन पे कले कंज्यूमर पुनी आउथरे कोन पे कले पीएलए तो कले
my claim was for 30 lakh assured
अरे मैडम 30 लाख 15 लाख रे आपण खुशी तो
challenging that amount
खुशी तो 15 रे
नहीं
केते 30 दरकार
30 lakh assured amount पहले काइंड से पेज 30
जेते एश्योर्ड पर सब अमाउंट तो आपण
मु सेटा कोनी टिके थरे देखंतु
आपण केते लॉस हिची एक्चुअली केते लॉस हिची
सेटा देखोची पेज 32 मु काउंटर फाइल करिछि दैट इज द स्टॉक स्टेटमेंट बिफोर द बैंक द एंटायर स्टॉक स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम 2020 January to I have given page 32 kindly see that is the January 21 loss was on February 21 and this is the stock statement of January 21 COVID period जो को मोर सेल टा affected थिला
32 रे
page 32 counter of my counter that is enclosure A January 2021 ऊपर
अच्छा जदी 15 लाख आपन दिया गला आपन आइले से माने कहीं आइले आपन तो आस्तन जदी you are not happy with the award that means you are happy with the award
therefore I have filed consumer challenging the same
से ऑर्डर को आपण ये लोक अदालत ऑर्डर को कंज्यूमर रे फाइल करिवे ना ठीक आसी
this is a look
एटा काहर ऑर्डर सॉरी ombudsman ऑर्डर को कंज्यूमर फोरम को जिवे हां जाई परिवे बट
usually
she is not wrong sir she can go consumer forum को जाई परिवे ombudsman
I'm not saying that approach is wrong. That is the reason the document now which have been filed along with the counter, that document was never produced.
Just a minute, just. Consumer forum, what is the status of the case?
hearing sorry but एठी पेंडिंग अछि बोली कि
अच्छा मुझे मो ଗୋଟେ काम आपण विड्रॉ कर सेठी जानतु सेठी जागरी आपण
ना मु सेठी विड्रॉ कर
फॉर श्योर
एठी जा ऑर्डर हबो दैट
वाला चालाक अछन देव देखिले 15 लाख आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू
15 लाख मु कहूछि मोर
कंज्यूमर फोरम रे केते मागी छथि
सेठी ओनली 30 लाख मागी छि बिकॉज़ मोर एश्योर्ड अमाउंट ला 30 लाख बट द स्टॉक
मैडम जहां एश्योर्ड अमाउंट था सब दियंती नी
बट द
आपण
स्टॉक वाज
असेसमेंट ऑफ लॉस हिसाब रे देबे तथापि ombudsman has given you 15 lakh and their assessor was has assessed it at 8
lakh 4,000
so you have got more than what you have I mean what their assessment officer has done it
your lordship made
so कौन चाहउचंदी
मु चाहउची मोथे एडमिटेड अमाउंट दे दे कि मते
सेठी परस्यू करिवे ना
नहीं मु सेठी करिवे एबे परमिट
विड्रॉ करिवे
करिवे
सेठी ओके आई एम पासिंग द ऑर्डर दे दियंतु
Later withdraw your lordship.
अब विड्रॉ करके आसंतु राइट अब आज विड्रॉ करके आसंतु
ऑर्डर कर देले सेम मु विड्रॉ
कर देले भी हो
सो मोटर विड्रॉ
So
अंडर तो जे मु विड्रॉ करिवे
आज अंडरटेकिंग कर दो ठीक है हां सर
याद रे
जस्ट मिन
आउ कोन आपनकर प्रॉब्लम
आज्ञा
सी लोक तो आपनको प्रीमियम देले
आज्ञा
कोन पे प्रीमियम देले Upon you have to, what? You have to indemnify their loss, right? So when their loss is taking place, and you are just raising your hand, no.
No, I am paying.
Paying kete?
That as per the assessment done by the surveyor mallards,
So
that is the law.
loss menche, apana dochandi kenche.
No, can let her substantiate their claim.
ଅଧା ଏତିକି 8 ଲକ୍ଷ 3 ଲକ୍ଷ 5
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଆଣିକି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଠି that document was never produced before the surveyor or before the ombudsman. That is the reason.
ombudsman order pass କରିଛି ମୁଁ କିଛି I am not interfering with the order खत्म होते रहो. Okay, the order passed by the ombudsman doesn't require any interference by this court, and
With interest from the date
କେତେ
of
number
order.
କହନ୍ତୁ
My lord,
ତଳ କୋର୍ଟର ନମ୍ବର କହନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ consumer forum.
CC case number 100/2023.
Landowner Council, the petitioner submit that
Yes.
another case has been filed before the consumer court, district
District
consumer
Consumer
forum,
Forum case.
Kendrapada, bearing CC case number
100
of
2023.
2023, which is pending. This C undertakes to withdraw this the CC case within a period of 2 weeks from today. Disclosure.
Well, my ombudsman award with interest. 15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା 21 with
ये तो बहुत ही गला
with
किसी
2021
इंटरेस्ट
interest
दिया
ହେଲାଣି।
के बगैर ऑर्डर के बगैर
2021 ର
Award 21.
किसी इंटरेस्ट
2021
ना से इंटरेस्ट हो एतिके खुशी
with interest.
एतिके खुशी जानतु आ अधिक मिलो आशा करूँ अधिक लोभ कला बोलो नहीं क्लाइंट को कौन तो एतिके लोभ यदि अधिक लोभ कर जानतु आपण तळ कोटर परसू करंतु एटी विड्रॉ करंतु
ତା ପାଖେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟସ ଥିଲା 47,000 ର।
ताले गोटे काम करंतु यू विड्रॉ दिस
No, no.
लर्नर काउंसिल को आपण विड्रॉ कर देंतु
No man.
फिर अबे को इंटरेस्ट नेक्स्ट जान एतिके खुशी जानतु हला tell your client you don't he should not be too much miser अति miser हेबन मरियो जेति पाउजी जेति पाइबनी next
Item 68.
68
I prefer to time to take instruction in the matter because during pendency of the writ petition they have perhaps paid a 4 lakhs compensation. I'll take instruction, let it come to its
what compensation
the son of the petitioners died in drowning while while coming back from the Anganwadi center.
here for the petitioner
Petitioners are the parents of the
parents of the
yes
you drowned while coming from the
Anganwadi center.
Anganwadi center.
Yes,
where it was in the
nearby
pond
pond.
or river pond okay
During after issuance of notice, the government has paid 4 lakh compensation. I shall take instruction.
already paid
Yes, I shall take instruction.
yeah proof
Yes, yes. He is the proof. He is telling, admitting.
I shall take instruction.
Yes, yes.
Asu out of
but this point
out of the asu because
how come by ଆସିବ sir
because this
पैसा पत्र देवा का है ना
नहीं पैसा तो नहीं
ଆଉ ସେ ଦେଇ ନଥିବ
नहीं सेटा
ଚମ୍ପଟି
नहीं
ଚମ୍ପଟିଟା ଆସି ନଥିବ
चंपटी एक थे नबा कथा नहीं
sir କିଛି ଦେଇ ସାଇଲେନ
नहीं this is not adequate. I will satisfy lot.
adequate
तो
नहीं सेटा
ଆଚ୍ଛା କେତେ ଅଛି ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଅଛି sir
I was not opening my mouth.
ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଅଛି ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ପାଇଁ କେତେ ପଇସା ଅଛି adequate ନା ହେଲା
जो
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ସ୍କିମ ର ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଅଛି
minimum 4 lakhs
4 lakhs.
4 ଲାખ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଫେର
I would my lord, I was not opening your mouth because the small kid has died, but her mother himself has her mother Pilara Ma himself says that ଆମେ ନେଇକିରି ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ଦିଦି ତାକୁ ନେଇ ଘରେ ଛାଡି ଦେଇ ଆସିଲି
ମଦର କୋନି ସେ ଦିଟା ପିଲା ପଡି ଗଲେ
ମନ ଜ୍ଞାନ କରୁଥିଲା
ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ଦିଦି ଛାଡି ଆଇଲା ତାପରେ ସେ ଛୁଆ ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ଯାଇକି କୋଉଠି ଡୁବି ଗଲା
ପିଲାଟି ମରିଛି ବୋଲି ଆମେ
ଠିକ ଅଛି the government has not objected and they have given release
let it come to chapter
close 2 weeks na nothing nothing doing nothing
let's you can see I will
sir
I will written note of submission देवी
31st more mona achi sir ek case mona achi
I will cite
Landowner Council the petition submitted that he has already received rupees 4 lakh from the government and which has been confirmed by the land council of the state.
My lord.
They're going to dispose of.
This honorable court,
I am
my lord,
opposite
How-
party
how-
number
how-
two.
this honorable court has granted 10 lakhs
Sir,
compensation
10
in
lakh
other
କୋଉଠି
cases.
ଦିଆହବ?
In other cases.
Authority
ଆସିଲେ।
negligence 10 lakh ଦିଆଯାଏ।
ପିଲାଟି ମରିଯାଇଛି ଆପଣ
ଗୋଟେ
ପରିବାର
ସ୍କୁଲ
case
ଗୋଟେ
basis ରେ
ସ୍କୁଲରେ
କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଇଥିଲା ପିଲା ସ୍କୁଲର କାନ୍ଥ
ଘରେ-
ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା ସେ ପିଲାଟା ମରିଗଲା ତାକୁ ମୁଁ 10 ଲାખ ଦେଇଥିଲି
ହଁ।
ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେସ୍ ଇଜ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ
ହଁ ତାକୁ ଘରେ ଛାଡି ଦେଇ ଆସିଲା
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଓନ୍ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ ନେଗ୍ଲିଜେନ୍ସ ଘରେ ଛାଡି ଗଲା ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ କାହିଁ ତାକୁ ଦେଖିଲେନି ତଥାପି
ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ ମାନେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କିଛି
ବ୍ଲେମ କରୁନି।
ନା ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବିନି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ମୋର ଅର୍ଡର ହ୍ୟାପି ନାହିଁ ଗୋ ଟୁ ଏନି ଫୋରମ୍ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଲାଇକ୍ କ୍ଲୋଜ ମ୍ୟାଟର କ୍ଲୋଜ ନେକ୍ସଟ
May I pardon, man?
Next.
I am appearing with opposite party number 4.
କାହା କିଏ
Anganwadi work.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରୁଲ
My
ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଲେଖ
I will file a notes of submission.
ସାର୍ କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ଆଇ ଅଲରେଡି କ୍ଲୋଜଡ ଇଟ CLOSED closed next item
Item 69.
69 means notice was issued to the opposite parties. In fact, AD has not returned back.
okay the notice was issued by 3rd September next
Item 70.
On the last occasion, here was
Note, okay, give them.
both the cases.
and Union of India
Good case.
okay close next
Item 71.
You lost my take up tomorrow, my lord.
tomorrow ଆଜି ଭଲ ଦିନ ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଲେଟ୍ ରେ କାଲି ଫେରିଲି ସେଥିପାଇଁ
okay ଠିକ ଅଛି tomorrow ହବନି next week କରୁଛି
ନେକ୍ସଟ ମଣ୍ଡେ
21st ठीक है मंडे कर दो नहीं मंडे तो छुट्टी है बहुत तब पर
ହଁ ମଣ୍ଡେ ଛୁଟି ରହିବ
20th कर दूँ next
72.
72 केना दी petitioner I know petitioner ने ना दी non appeals for the petitioner list the matter on केवल सुविधा कौन दो next month रखो जी 11th September next 73 ठीक है 73 क्या हुआ
73 is for filing of written note. I am sorry.
72, Your Lordship, on
Sorry,
behalf of LP Divedi.
sorry Lani already I have given date ଆପଣ ସେମିତି ବି ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କଲା ବେଳେ ତ ଦେଖା ଯାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ତ ସାଧା ଦୌଡ଼ି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ହାତ ଗୋଡ଼ ଖୋଲା କରିକିରି କୋଉଠି ଫାଇଲ ତ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ କଣ ଟାଇମ ତ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି ଅଲରେଡି ଆଉ କେନ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବି
Sorry, Your Lordship.
ଆପଣ ମାଗିବେ ମୁଁ ତ କହିବେ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ କାଲି ଦିଅ ବୋଲି କହିବେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ସେୟା ତ
Written of submission time 1 week month.
ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ଆପଣ ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ ସେଦିନ ଦେଇଦେବେ ହେଲା
Obliged.
ନେକ୍ସଟ
74 last occasion Malad was that.
74.
Malad more written note का देते decisions out एबे दिन तले गोटे बाहर ची decision RBI circular statutory matter paragraph 18 टा मैं flag कर दीजिए आगे kindly see Malad
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
written note ଦଉଚି କିନ୍ତୁ
କୋଉଥିରେ ଗଲା paragraph
18 ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖିବେ that is in the context of जो micro medium small enterprises NPA ହେଲା बड़े आଜ୍ଞା काहे they have not followed say context RBI circulars are statutory कहिछि paragraph 18 it has been underlined by the Supreme Court in that judgment ए 2-3 दिन तो आगे एटा बाहर थिला
18
paragraph 18 रे कहिछि कि RBI circulars are statutory 35A जोटा my lord was saying last date banking regulation act अनुसार binding upon all banks to follow
yeah this is because see RBI is
ସେଇଟା
a
ବହୁତ
great
ବଡ judgment
RBI is a creator of a statute RBI act naturally
no there is many decisions
ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମତେ କହ ଏଇରା ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ okay pass
my friend has cited some decisions that is not totally
I'll find it I'll read it
my lord I have only shown that on point of law fact no so far all the decisions I have cited
अब ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
ମତେ ଗୋଟେ confidence ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ନୋଟଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
judgment ପାଇଁ ରହିଛି cannot overrule the notification or anything
what circular cannot overrule notification
notification or anything
RBI circular has a statutory force sir what are you saying
no there is also law
okay go show me that
RBI guidelines not
ठीक है give me that
I have filed my lord तारे मु ଗୋଟେ constitution bench judgment देबी 2001 Supreme Court एइले आनिनी because he is raising this because मझिरे गोडदिरिया decision Supreme Court रो थिला
More money banking law mu deal kare where that wrongly held and later it was held 2001 Supreme Court ର constitution bench judgment ଅଛି କି RBI surplus binding जोटा इतरे समय देई नांती मु जो दिरा देली
Just placing 2 lines madam. Your lordship may kindly
से मु देई देबी lordship me close today I'll give it
काली दे दो काली दे दो
आगे आगे काली आउट केस भी अछि आगे सेतळे मु आनी देई देबी
Annexure 1 से रिका की देखो page 9.
कौन लिखाला पेज 9 रे
Page 9 रे 1 series annexure 1 series रे गोटे सर कहले
पैराग्राफ
नहीं सर page 9 annexure 1 series my fixed devotees so lordship may kindly glance at page 9 NRA DRC 1 is NRA DRC another is DRC that is not NRA they have indicated as NRA but nowhere they have a file as
oh ये file
D line sir
okay order
they are not file and document to show that I have NRI account in the
okay
bank.
order is up next
my lord their own letter indicates that it is there
you give that judgment
judgment ता काली आउट अछि मु आगे constitution bench रो
ठीक है
that will
give me that
देखियो judgment गोटे भी
हां ठीक है next
I have indicated from the beginning the RBI circular upare actually they are different but the principle of law I have relied upon I have told from the beginning because point of law my lord I was saying because every decision
direct
ठीक है अपन से decision रो दो ना सेटा
ठीक okay next
decision बड़ा देख
73
decision
कितना नंबर
It is 74
74 75
हां
75 adjourn है जी 72
76 adjourn 76 5 এটা বদে কি
75 I am the petitioner. I am the petitioner. 75.
75
Madam.
so you have to file
I have filed all the documents.
okay
So same petitioner dita
dita come by what two petitions same petitioner dita come by
72. I have no information.
I will नहीं क्या सुन से अब आसु से
Two different. 20. Two different.
ସେଟା 11 9 କୁ ଯାଇଛି
11 କୁ ଆସୁ 11 ଆପଣ ବୁଝି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ହେଲା next
77
କଣ ଅଛି କେସରେ
ସେଇଟା ଏ ଯୋଉ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୟାଡର ରେ ଥିଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୟାଡର କୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉଟା ଜୁନିୟର ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ ଜୁନିୟର ଟେକ୍ନିସିଆନ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜୁନିୟର ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ
ଆଉ କଣ ସେଦିନ ବି ଆପଣ ଟାଇମ ମାଗିଲେ
ନେଲା ପରେ ତାକୁ ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ
रेडी क्या कहीं हेबेनी मैटर हो 2016 ର मैटर अब से दिन आपण टाइम देले नहीं आज कमेंट है सब्जेक्ट टू पेमेंट ऑफ 1000 रुपीस 1000 रुपीस दियंतु 12 जगह डिपॉजिट करंतु नेक्स्ट गोटे काम करंतु सर बार प्रेसिडेंट अछंती गोटे जूनियर लॉयर मान गोटे फंड टे बनांतु से फंड सब जते कॉस्ट इनपुट हो से फंड को दियो जूनियर लॉयर माने अधा सीनियर माने स्टाइपेंड दो ना किसी पैसा दो ना से माने किसी पैसा पाइबे से फंड रो दिया जिवो
very good idea
I'll ensure all the senior will pay monthly 5,000 देबे बड़ जो बेसी बेसी इनकम करछंती मु भी सेते देबी किसी पैसा I'll pay 1 lakh from the beginning I'll also pay 1 lakh I'll starting करेगा तो somebody and the senior advocate will give and I'll also request our other judges also they will also pay ये जहाँ देला charity begins at home I will pay start आपण ଗୋଟେ fund create करंतु fund create करिके account खोलंतु सेटा कला पर करी हो नाले को fund को जोना से fund में भी मिसयूज हो जाबे
हां मिसयूज
आपण टाइम में मिसयूज नहीं करे फ्यूचर न होली की करू
हां सेटा हो
so from that जे जार जो पिला मान को जो at least poor people पिला मान आसिकरी स्ट्रगल करछन ता किछि पैसा मिलिबो सीनियर बना दो ना पैसा हाफ ऑफ द सीनियर तो हाफ मोर देन 80% सीनियर पैसा दियंतनी मु जा जानि छी तो देजुनी किछि पाइबे पैसा तो एई जो इंडिया सब जते करबी जते कॉस्ट लगेबी से फंड को जीवो पैसा
विजयଙ୍କ ସମୟରେ ହେଇ ପାରିବ
हां से आपण ही कर परिबे पछे कोन बाय नो
काली आसु
ओ काली आसु ताले
नेक्स्ट वीक नहीं काली जदी हम कहतो
काली काली करू काली रेडी आसु हला आपण ଗୋଟେ कॉन्स्टिट्यूट फंड ओपन करंतु और से जूनियर लॉयर्स वेलफेयर फंड कर दे
जूनियर लॉयर्स फंड
तो ଗୋଟେ କରନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ ଯେତେ ଜୁନିୟର ଲୟର ଯାହାର କାର ଅସୁବିଧା ଅସୁବିଧା ସେଥିରୁ ଫଣ୍ଡରୁ କିଛି ପଇସା ପାଇବେ ସବୁ।
ସାର୍ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ମାନେ 50-60 years of practice, 80 years old ରେ committed suicide sir. କଣ sir କରିବେ?
That's why I'm saying, sir. ଆଉ ଯଦି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ରେ ଆମର ସପୋର୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ସପୋର୍ଟିଂ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ନ ମିଳିଲା ସେ ପିଲା ସେ ପ୍ରଫେସନ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ କୋଉଠୁ ଆସିବ? ତ ସେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଆସିବ ନା ଟିକେ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲ ବି ଦରକାର। And unfortunately, most of the seniors they are earning too much big amount, but they when paying to senior junior को पैसा देला बेलକୁ जने मुड़ी देबे 5000 भी देबेनी. There are many seniors sufficiently earning, but they don't pay. Unfortunately, ଆଉ ସେଥିରେ next
କାଲି
ସେମାନେ ଭାବନ୍ତି ଆମ ପାଖେ ଶିଖୁଛି କେଡ଼େ ବଡ଼ କଥା ଆଉ ପଇସା କେମିତି ଦେବୁ ଆମେ ସେ ଭାବନ୍ତି। That's a wrong thing. They should support. ପ୍ରଫେସନ କେମିତି ଗ୍ରୋ କରିବ ସେମିତି ଗଲେ ଭଲ ପିଲା ଆସିବେ ପ୍ରଫେସନ କାମ କରିବେ ଆଉ ଖାଲି ଆପଣ ଲୋକ ଖଟେଇବେ କାମ ଦିନ ରାତି ଖଟେଇବେ ଆଉ ପଇସା ଦେଲା ବେଳକୁ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବେନି। He has also life or she has also life. They should also ବାହାରୁ ଆସିବେ କି କଟକ ଘର ଭଡ଼ା ନେଇକି ରହୁଥିବ। That's why I'm proposing to create a fund. ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ବାର କାଉନସିଲ ଅଧୀନରେ ରହୁଛି ଏଟା ଆଉ ଯିଏ ଯାହାର ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ ଏମିତି ସେମାନେ ଆପଣ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡ ଆଉଟ୍ କରିବେ କୋଉମାନେ ପାଇବା କଥା ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ମୋଡାଲିଟିଜ କ୍ରିଏଟ କରିବେ କୋଉମାନେ ପାଇବେ ତାର ଇନକମ୍ କେମିତି ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ କେମିତି କିଏ ବିପିଏଲ୍ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିରୁ ଆସି ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ କିଛି କିଛି ପଇସା ଦିଆଯାଏ। That's what I'm doing. ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଟିକେ କରନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଜଲ୍ଦି କରନ୍ତୁ ଜଲ୍ଦି କରିକି ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ତୁ ବି ଦବୁ and I'll request all our judges also to keep some fund.
ଆମେ ସାର୍ ଦେବୁ ସବୁ
আর যেতে কস্ট ইম্পোজ করিবি বড় বড় কস্ট বেশি বেশি ইম্পোজ করিবা সেটি পকেবা আরে কস্ট ইম্পোজিশন যে 5000 করে এবে মিনিমাম 5000 করিবি
The president should also contribute to the fund.
of course he
Always, he's there.
He has never said
Brother is always forward.
he has never said no.
He has always placed forward.
He will come forward, no president is
He's
not.
always
I'm talking about you also.
That's Holloway.
Okay, next.
Holloway would have become pilot by now.
At least distress lawyer
See distress fund. See distress lawyer ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସେ fund ଟା ବନା junior lawyer welfare fund କରି ଦଉଛୁ ହେଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ରିଏଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ସେପାରେଟଲି କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ୟା ଭିତରେ ରଖନ୍ତୁନି କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଥିରେ ସବୁ ଗଡ଼ବଡ଼ ଗୋଳମାଳ ହବ ସେ ଫଣ୍ଡ କୁ ସେପାରେଟ ରଖାଯାଏ ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ରହିବ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣ ତାକୁ ଇଏ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମ୍ୟାନେଜିଂ କରି 2-3 ଲୋକ ସେଠି ଯୋଉଟା କି କମିଟି ଡିସାଇଡ କରିବ ଯେ ଏଇ ଲୋକ ପାଇବା କଥା ନହେଲେ ସେଥିରେ ବି ନହେଲେ ଇଏ କିଏ ଚିହ୍ନା ପରିଚୟ ଲୋକ ଦେଇଦିଅ ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ହବନି
ଭାଇର
okay next
discrimination ନାହିଁ
he will do it. I have faith in him.
ନାହିଁ
He will do that. Next
ସାର୍ କାଲି ଆସିବ ତ ସାର୍
ହଁ କାଲି
ହବ ତ ଟାଇମ୍ ନେବନି
78.
78
78 in this case your lawsuits are directed Mr. Yana Mahapatra to take instruction that if the judgment is applicable to the case in hand but that
He's not
instruction has not come.
He's not there.
And
But they are filing affidavit election.
Okay, fine. You give a copy to him.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm sorry.
You can give it to him.
my lord, I'll
In that affidavit, I'm sorry.
22nd.
my
Let him come. Huh? Next.
79.
But in 79, my lord, I have brought the attention of lordship, my lord. Another connected matter, Criminal Division 153 of 2024, my lord.
Yes, sir. Did they kete number?
153 of 2024, my lord. That has not been listed along with this.
Criminal revision.
Both are matters are same and parties are same, my lord.
So let it come together then. Let it come together. I'm fixing it on 21st kar douchi. 21st.
May pray, my lord, any day later the week, I'll be out of station, my lord.
Later this week.
Or next week, your lordship, later this.
27 kar douchi.
My lord, 27, my lord. Deeply.
Okay, next.
Item 80.
But in item 80, on 25/7/2024, also directed me to come the draft of rupees 5 lakhs. It is arising out of NI Act. In fact, I could not show to your lordship, my lord, by order dated 16/5/2019, I had paid already 2 lakhs of rupees, which has already been released in favor of the opposite party.
My lord, may I only submit? My lord, I am for the opposite party. Your lordship may see the last order 2019. That order was a deposit made by him in the court below while appeal was admitted, and that
Yes.
amount was
Yes, yes.
released, has not been released to me till date, and was rather was released on Friday, my lord, because the amount had gone to the treasury, and
No, there is already an order that should be
that
released
amount
in
could not be
his
released
favor.
after a
That-
lot of pursuing.
No, there is already an
Petitioner
order, my
is
No,
lord.
no, my lord,
bringing
that's
a
right.
draft.
My lord,
अच्छा,
मैं only see.
अरे भाई सुनो तो करो.
Okay, I'm sorry, my lord. Sorry, sir.
1823, it was directed to be released in his favor, but 1823 order, my lord.
1823.
Yes, and I had no objection to that also. Then I not,
How much amount? That?
no, 2 lakhs rupees were already deposited, so therefore I pray the lordship kindly modify the order instead of 5 lakhs to 3 lakhs.
Oh, 3 lakh about. Huh?
Yes.
My
Okay.
lord, may I only point out to your lordship, subject to
Sir,
your
just a
lordship
minute. 2 lakh you
Again.
take from there.
Again?
2 lakh you take it from the court.
Uh-huh. My lord,
So
that I will do.
that means this should be modified to 3 lakh.
Yes, that's what I am saying.
My lord,
Since the order passed by this court on 1/8/2023, wherein the petitioner to approve the court the court below the trial court.
The opposite party, my lord.
Sorry, the opposite party to approve the trial court. Sorry, for releasing for getting the getting the amount released in favor of him. Amount would be 2 lakh to be released in favor of him. You have not released. You have not taken it.
My lord, it was released only on Friday, my lord.
Okay,
Last Friday.
and he has and he the said amount has already been released. Hence, the order passed by this court on 25/7/2024 at paragraph 3 is modified as below. The paragraph quote कर दो, खाली 3 lakh कर दो. Dispose of?
No, my lord.
Sorry.
No,
The
no.
amount is 13 lakhs. The total
13
amount
lakhs,
is 13
in
lakhs.
fact, out of court, I had talked 13 lakhs, the total amount directed to be paid.
Check amount is 10 lakh.
Check amount is 10 lakhs, my lord. I am
My lord,
agreeable to give him 12 lakhs. He is also
No, my lord,
agreeable to that.
may I only, no, my lord, I have not agreed. My lord, I would pray, let him pay the rest 3 lakh amount and
Yes,
let it
sir.
be posted to a short date. I
All
will
right,
be
all
before your
right, all
lordship.
right, all right.
Pay that 3 lakh. Okay.
Yes,
3rd September.
yes.
3rd September. In 3 lakh to
In the meantime, I'll pay.
in the meantime, the petitioner to pay the rupees 3 lakh to the opposite party.
Yes,
Opposite party. By
by way of bank,
bank draft. By bank draft in the
By-
form of in the shape of bank draft
within 10 days, my lord.
within 10 days from today. Hala?
15 days.
ना 10 days कोई दिल तो हला 10 days आओ 15 आएगा पार्टी बाला 10 में 10 आओ नहीं फास्ट बाहर से तो सरस्वती थांदी पछे अलग अलग ना से हार से सो तक ले से 10 days
15 days
पारिबनी का मैं पारिबनी
My lord, 12 तारीख आज ही कंप्लेंट
नाले को पातिला जला आलू पारिबनी
से भी टोटल যদি 12 লাখ রাজি হইলে একদম
ये लो बोलो কথা that's very good आगे दिन तो 3
12 lakhs राजी, sir, राजी,
Plan,
हमें भी राजी.
आओ अल्लाह ने